Hello. There we go. Jesus, I thought that was going to be a lot harder fix than it actually was. I was getting ready for the worst. Good morning, Omar.
Chicken finger tacos. One with pico and creamy chipotle ranch, and the other with bacon and avocado ranch.
Alright, let me know if you guys hear the money. I mean, hear the money, hear the music. The song is called Love Money. Getting ready to sell the fuck out of gold. Dude, actually, I was getting ready to sell the fuck out of GJ. Nah, I'm just kidding. This thing looks like it might keep on continuing right now, but sells don't look horrible. I'm not completely out the door with sells yet. Let me fix my lighting. Let me get accommodated. The screen's a little dark now, as in like I'm a little dark. I could put the brightness up. All right, chat. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, gold. All right, so let's break down gold for now. Then we'll go break down GJ. Gold to me looks like it's a sell. Why does it look like it's a sell? I mean, we're hovering around the support level right here. Yes, this is where a lot of rookie traders would be taking buys. That's exactly why I think that this is a level that we're going to act like we're going to buy, and then we're just going to break through it and keep on going to the downside. If we look at this 4 hour, I mean, we know that our impulses are to the downside. We understand that our SMAs are in favor of bearish movement. And you see we have the 50 above the 8. Let's break down to the 1 hour, and then from here, I mean, every big move that we've actually had has been to the downside, and then to the upside there's been no volume. Downside volume, upside no volume. So realistically, I'm expecting for when volume to come to the market, for it to push gold to the downside. Well, trading on Mondays, boys, it's important to remember to always look at your weekly candlesticks as well. So when we go to the weekly candlestick on GJ, it's in a very awkward spot, and then a weekly candlestick on gold. Weekly candlestick on gold shows bearish continuation, even though this is bullish continuation. Truthfully, I could see it keep on going downwards. I have no idea yet. I'm pretty sure we don't have any red folder news coming up either. So we're not going to be waiting for any news sources or anything like that. We're just going to have a nice long session, play it patiently. I'll pull out my account right now. Let me send the link to the Discord. All right, just barely spammed the Discord. All right, in a sell GJ, wait, in a gold sell GJ buy. Yeah, I like GJ buys right now, truthfully. Makes me feel like I'm a little bit late for GJ buys though. All right, let's open up funding pips. Let me open it up on this screen so I don't expose my credentials. Funding pips.
I need someone to be patient with me. Someone to get money when I take it from me. They don't even need.
Good morning, Lumelo. All right, check it, chat. We're up 5%. We are up 5% on this challenge. Man, all we gotta do is honestly just keep on doing what we were doing last week, and that's cooking it up with some simple, easy trades, boys. Make sure if you guys want to follow along with my trades today, you guys follow along with the correct risk size as well. And yeah, hopefully at the end of hopefully at the end of this week, it's a successful week and we are passed with our challenge officially. Let's go peso. Yes sir, boys. I'm gonna log into the TradeZilla so we could see the stats of how everything looks, even though I know Funding Pips gives it to you as well, but we already paid for TradeZilla, so we're fucked.
Okay, remember that.
Boom. 2.7k, 2.4, 1%, no, 1%. I don't know how the hell that happened. Oh, just kidding. This is the GU trade. Last week I closed out at break even on GU. After it came back, closed out at break even, and then it ended up flying. And that was what we ended up the week with that GU trade. Oh, and then I guess the next London session, the shit melted. That's hilarious. But look at this. This is the trade that we left off with on Thursday last week. So boys, yeah, the plan is for when I pass this prop firm challenge, then we're going to do the phase 2 on live stream. After that, all the money that gets made is going to get given back to the live stream. All of it. So make sure if you guys, everybody who is here is more than a subscriber. Y'all family, but yeah. This is the update on how the account looks. Now we just got to trade it, boys. Now we just got to pop off. We're right. We see the finish line. We literally see the finish line of this. All right, when it comes down to GJ, boys, I understand that we are coming off of a lot of bearish price action, so therefore all this bullish that we're having right here might not even mean anything. But we can't ignore the fact that the 4-hour candlesticks have been going bullish for 4, 8, 16, 4, 8, 12, 16 hours, right? So we've had our bullish continuation, bullish. This 4-hour candlestick closes in exactly 2 hours. So this 4-hour candlestick still has the possibility of leaving a wick to the top side. Imagine this turns into a wick, and then we start seeing the body of the candlestick to the bottom. It's a total possibility. I've been trading weird times of the day. I was able to get first place in a competition. I saw that, Chris, boys. Chris, send it to me on Discord so I can show the boys. This guy Chris went first place in a competition for I'm not really sure what prop firm, but he did get first place. That boy got the most aggressive entry in the world, and it was the best entry in the world. Never. I need my coffee. I'm slowly waking up, boys. I'm slowly waking up. Damn, dude. I think we're gonna go with gold cells. I think we're gonna go with gold cells now. And then if we lose, we take another trade because I'm here early. What if that goes bullish? What if that goes bullish? That's the question. What if that goes bullish? Let's see if we get some early chat participation to help your boy out. One's in the chat if you guys are bullish on gold. Two's in the chat if you guys are bearish on gold. What to do, Patrick? Good morning. For those who just barely got here, the update of the account is that we're up 5%, boys. We are up 5%. We have, this is Monday. It's a great, beautiful, nice Monday. No news are coming. Let's get this challenge passed. Let's start phase 2 by the end of the week. Let's pass phase 2 with an easy 5%, and then boom, let's start fucking giving some money out to the stream. Slick Block is bearish on gold. Tony's bearish on gold. Tony Gold, his name has gold in it, and he's bearish. And Slick Blocker, who trades gold all the time, is also bearish. Oh fuck, we got Only Pips who's bullish, and we got Patrick who's bullish. All right, chat. One's in the chat if you guys are bullish on gold. Two's in the chat if you guys are bearish. One's in the chat if you guys are bullish. Two's in the chat if you guys are bearish. Honest opinion, chat. I need to know the honest opinion. Omar said Omar, chat, everybody, I need you guys to help me help Omar said Omar. Omar said Omar, I promised him I'd send the signal today to the Discord server. I promised him all last week. I promised him all the time. I never fucking could do it. So if you guys can remember when we're entering on our trade to be like, hey, send it to the Discord for Omar, that would be amazing. Just like
I let the bitch you who for sex. I know they don't wanna catch. Got one-on-one ice on the jet. One-on-one bitch they 10. One-on-one never again. One get the cake in the butter. I kinda like hustle the money all in. I'm in the town in the drop top coupe in the motor in the trunk you can hear.
Interesting, because I mean I do understand that we're at this level of support, and I do understand that this is where most of the buyers are going to be buying, but I don't think that this is like, I don't think that this little noob double bottom is supposed to actually play out. Like, get the fuck out of here. I know that yeah, if we do go bullish, it might reach the top here, and like, but the point is, I don't think that this is the bottom of the market where I'm outlining right now. I don't think that's the bottom of the market, so therefore I think that there's enough of a space to catch a target. But now I don't want to hop into a trade and then just see that all the candlesticks are respecting this 8 SMA, and then we just start riding above it, riding above it, riding above it, these flip, and then it just, and then I really was just on a simple ass double bottom, and I didn't see that. Whatever, we've been on for only 20 minutes, boys. It's been 20 minutes. We got a lot to go today, right? We're gonna be on for about 3 hours, 4 hours. Which hole is, wait, which hole is target, bro? What? How does that even make sense? Which hole is target?
You the captain of the team. You like Jordan in the 90s. You know what I'm saying? You gotta go carry this team. No, let's bring it in.
We'd be savages for entering in a GJ buy right now as price actually breaks through this resistance. I mean, just due to the fact, I mean, just in case somebody says, hey, why don't we take a buy on GJ right now? I mean, we don't take a buy on GJ right now because I want to stop loss beneath this level, way too far away. And then if I had to put one beneath here, it just looks like it'll get stopped out. We haven't had any bearish price action. We're about to have a London crossover pretty soon, and so like there could be volume that comes and just brings it downwards. I truthfully like the GJ buy. I feel like if it does continue going bullish, it's not going to show us much retracements. It's like slick. Does this just look way too clean for the sell, that it's like too picture perfect to be true? That's what my thought process is right now. All right, so realistically we're going to be risking about, yeah, we're going to risk 1% today. We're going to risk 1.1%, a little bit over 1%, 1.3%. And hopefully we catch a 1 to 2 risk reward ratio to actually give us a really big bump. I don't think 1% does too much to us right now. All right, so if we were going to throw stop loss to the sell side, it would realistically be a stop loss, yeah, at 2505, and we're at 29. Oh my god, it's like 100 pips. I don't know if it's too big of a stop loss, I think, boys, right? 100 pips on gold from 2495 to 2505. 2495, 2505. So that would mean it's a one lot stop loss, a little 1%er. Nah, feels like this is just gonna rip through this resistance right here. My bad, chat. I just woke up. I need to get my coffee going, and then we'll have some great energy. I'm just scoping out the charts right now. There's not really much of a trade for me to take yet. Hopefully the patience that I have within taking a trade is something that you guys are paying attention to and incorporating into your own trading life. Because a lot of people hop onto the charts and they are dying to be in a trade. So they're just like fucking looking for any goddamn reason to be in a trade. And then they're like, you know what? I'm up 1.3%. I'm going to risk 0.3%. And then they hop into a trade. And even if you're only risking 0.3% and you just want to be in a trade, you're ruining your psychology. You're ruining your psychology because the more decisions you have to take every single night, it's the worst. Leave yourself to less decision making, right? Leave yourself to less. If you were already in a sell, you close that at $300. All right, now you're gonna look for a new trade. If it keeps on going downwards, at the back of your head, you're gonna be like, oh wait, but I couldn't have closed out. Oh wait, I could have over leveraged here. I could have, like, there's just too much could have, should have, would have Keep it simple. Find that one trade, take that one trade, ride it with your goddamn life. Stop closing out early, because majority of traders just close out early on the most beautiful trades in the world. But yeah, this does look like it could go bullish as well right now. We're not hopping into any gold sells yet. Chat, relax. It looks so picture perfect though. I wonder, that's exactly what probably has me not hopping in. All right, GJ is continuing to go bullish. Let's see, chat, do we have anybody currently in any GJ buys? Do we actually have anybody who traded London session today and was successful? Do we have any successful London traders today? This is getting ready to form its little upside down head and shoulders. Not sure if you guys see that. They don't want to see an old head win. Hell no, they don't. All right, nobody's in any GJ trades. All right, gold. Damn it, gold. Don't do it to us. All right, so this 4-hour candlestick, like we said earlier, closes in exactly 2 hours and 3 minutes. All right, so we're about to get an hourly candlestick closure. Very important across the board. Hopefully we get some volatility, because the charts are a little bit stuck right now. So if anybody's a little bit like, oh, there's nothing to trade, yes, the charts are a little bit stuck right now. Give it a second for volatility to come into the market. We're about to get an hourly candlestick closure, which should push the market. Remember, towards the end of a candlestick, you will start seeing its true movement. What does that mean? When you start seeing the end of a candlestick closing, that's a majority of the time is where you're going to start seeing where it's actually trying to go. So for example, this 30-minute candlestick has been kind of hovering bearish for about 30 minutes. We have 2 minutes left in its life, and then it started, recovering itself and now leaving a wick to the downside. We weren't going to see that up until the end of that candlestick's closure. It's the same with the hourlies, the same with the 4 hourlies, the same with the dailies. Towards the end of the candlesticks, you will start seeing the true direction of where they want to go. So that's what's kind of having me like, hey, maybe it is going to respect this 8 SMA right now, and we're going to keep on going bullish, which is fine, which doesn't throw sells out the door. It just means that we're going to have to wait a little bit more. We're in the middle of a big fat range here. I can even just draw it out like this to make everyone's anxiety go out. Just a big fat range. Nothing to it. Well, you're gonna sell on GJ and you should have closed out 101. Now you're stuck. Oh, yeah, the sells looked amazing. These sells are very aggressive, very amazing. This is the sell we took on Wednesday. Imagine we would have just held this, or I don't know when we took it, Tuesday or Wednesday. That was beautiful trade. We had a beautiful trading week last week, boys. Are you guys kidding me? Look at this. For everybody who was here since Monday wins. Tuesdays wins. Wednesday wins. Thursday, this was the GU trade that I set, and I told you guys to set it to take profit 1. It actually hit. We already established that. This was the GU long. Let's see if I can find it real quick. This one, it just took forever. I closed out here like a bitch ass. Like a bitch ass. I closed out right here. Like a bitch ass. After almost hitting my take profit, I was like, I'm done with that shit. Whatever, it is what it is. And then Friday as well. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Was going for a Luca setup. I don't even know what's Luca's trading style. I wonder if he even trades. I'm promoting fan funded. Has anybody bought a fan funded challenge? I haven't even bought one yet. Kind of feels too dirty to buy one. Y'all know what I mean? Alright. New hourly candlestick opens. New hourly right there. Alright, so this one's going to probably push bullish. We're probably going to see GJ keep on pushing bullish right now because these are all bullish candlesticks, mini ripple fib. So this 30-minute candlestick is probably not going to go with any bottom wick, just straight momentum to the top side. Hourly as well. Yeah, that's just bullish momentum. That was pretty easy to read, hard to trade. You know, we can't just go and try to catch that. Gold, God, please keep on going bullish because I want to hop into a sell. I really want to hop into a sell. Fan Funded is a prop firm that is for sports gamblers, that allows sports gamblers to have a chance to sports gamble big capital. Same thing. It's basically a prop firm. Bro, what happened to the GU trade? That's what I was trying to say, Xander. I told you to close it at take profit 1. I told everybody to close. My ass closed at break even all the way towards the end of the trade like a fucking duck. Like a fucking duck. No, I closed at break even. That was Thursday's trade right here, this one. Break even. So now if we go flawless this week, I mean, let's not even speak like that. Let's just fucking go flawless, boys. Sorry we're not in a trade yet. There's probably nothing to trade up to the moment. I mean, we could be in a trade, but it would be a little bit risky, and I'm not in the mood to be risky. I kind of want in the mood to just win and bounce right out after. So, I mean, my outlooks right now are potential gold sells. Potential gold sells look amazing. GJ, I was bullish when I started my stream. I am not switching to bearish. I do believe that there's due for a retracement, but I do understand how there's a lot of bullish price action and that we have to ride the trend. So ride the trend of the bullish price action that is present. Don't start just taking sells. And then definitely on gold, we need to keep our eyes out for this bearish movement that could potentially happen real soon. How are you? Haven't been on really on streams last week? Man, you weren't on streams last week. Look what we did. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. 5% left, boys. All we gotta do is make 5%, and then we're gonna trade. Oh, and then we gotta do the verification, and then after that, like I said, boys, when this challenge is live, the one that we trade live on stream every single day, we're gonna start trading like this, where I'm gonna tell you guys, all right, you know, this is my outlook. This is my outlook for buys. This is my outlook for sells, and then I'm gonna ask majority of the chat, hey, what do you guys want to do? We taking buys or we taking sells? And then whatever the majority of the chat says, I will go and try to find that setup. You know, we're gonna trade it like as a group. It's gonna be a group account, and that's why when we get our first payout, I will manage the risk rewards. I will manage the stop losses. I will manage the trades. But therefore, whenever we do make money on the account, it'll be all given back to the stream. You know, we'll do a whole bunch of $100 giveaways, or we'll do a whole bunch of $200 giveaways. I have no the fuck idea how much money we're gonna have, but I know that I'm down to give it all back to you guys and make a dope video on it. Is this one phase or two? It's a 2-phase. It's a 2-phase, but don't even worry. Phase 2 is the easy part. Phase 2 is a very easy part. So this is the Trade Locker account, by the way, 105, and it's what's connected to my TradeZilla. So this is the same exact account. P&L 5.3. Maybe getting back to my regular life will humble me. I'll be back 2018 to give you the summary. More life. I only need 8%. Yeah, that's a good way to put it. Chat, if we get to 50 likes today, if we get to 50 likes, I have a feeling we could get to 50 likes. If we get to 50 likes on the channel, we would do a $50 giveaway as well. So 50 likes on the channel means equals a $50 giveaway. Let me type that out. $50. I can use that on my phone. And gold started going bullish, so thank God we're not in a trade. All right, how was my night out? Are you crazy? What do you mean my night out? Your boy don't go out. Your boy stay home and back test all night. Imagine. All right, chat. So GU, which has been a very, very bearish. Damn, dude. Why don't we fucking snipe the bottom of GU? Or is GU gonna keep on melting? Dude. Alright, so GU up to the moment looks like it's gonna keep on melting, right? We have bearish candlesticks with a whole bunch of continuation candlesticks after that, right? But dude, 30-minute continuation. Dude, but if we do snipe a buy somewhere here, Jesus Christ, we're in a fucking great trade. But no. It's number one rule that I have in trading is to not trade calling bottoms. Don't trade calling tops. If your reason for trading a buy is because you think that this is the bottom of the market, don't do it. If you think that you're going to take a sell just because this is the top of the market, don't do it. Don't call tops. Don't call bottoms. It's very simple. Better than that, right of the trend. So what does that mean? That means that realistically, I should take the sell here. Majority of the times, I am going to make more money and I'm going to hit the trade riding with the trend. Why? Because it rides the trend a lot more than it actually turns around and actually forms a bottom or actually forms a top. Make any sense? I'm not saying that this is going to hit. I'm not saying that that's a trade. It's kind of what I'm looking at. I mean, I like the buys at the bottom, but there's nothing telling me to actually take this trade. When it comes to gold's still in the middle of this bullshit. I mean, I think it looks very clear for everybody who's looking at the higher time frame that this looks bearish. Just this price action right here, this structure, impulse to the downside, correction phase, kind of waiting for the impulse again. Maybe a little bit too picture perfect to be true, so we're still also waiting. And then GJ, we've understood there was bullish price action and we wanted to catch the buy, but there has just been no entry for us. This reminds me of whenever we have one of those momentum rallies. What I consider a momentum rally is whenever we have any candlestick chart, any currency pair moving right to one direction, and it's not really giving much retracements for anybody to be able to hop in. So it's whenever we have kind of like when I call a momentum candlestick, whenever there's no bottom wick, and then we just open up and then we keep on rising like a fucking with hella momentum. What I call a momentum trend or a momentum rally is just whenever we keep on going up, and at no point we freaking even come and tap this 8 SMA or come down and hit this 50, and it's just straight momentum to the top side. It's a little bit hard to it's actually not hard to trade momentum like that, you know? Like right now, if we were to take a buy with a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio, keep it pretty simple, there's a very strong chance we'd hit that. I'm not saying that there's not at all. We're not taking this trade yet though, chat. Relax. I'm just breaking down our options and possibilities, waiting for something beautiful to happen. Oh, look who decided to join the stream. Little dude from across the street. Oh my god, look who decided to join the stream. Little dude from across the street. What did it do, Arnold's? I needed some freaking... Oh my god, prod by Cap. Yo, shout out to the chat. Where's everybody in the chat from? We got Prod by Cap. I forgot where you're from. Arnold's from Latvia. Badas from Bangladesh. Anton is from... Prod by Cap is from Texas. Avman from the UK. Shout out to the UK chat. Shout out to the UK. Shout out to Texas. Shout out to Bangladesh. All right, boys. 50 likes equals $50 giveaway today. Damn, we got South Africa in the house. We got Botswana to Cuba. This guy's Cuban. This guy's from like Miami or some shit. All right, back to the charts. Retracement, which is good. A retracement in GJ is good because now it's going to give us an opportunity to actually do something if we do want to trade it. Truthfully, my wrong pin. What happened, Badas? Balling like I am, Bojack. I pinned the wrong comment. How do you know? Oh my god, I did. All right, chat. So for anybody who just barely joined the stream, this is the update on the challenge that we are passing on live stream. We tend to take 1 trade a day on this challenge. Last week was flawless. This trade actually ended up hitting. All right, so relax. This was actually a flawless week last week. Today we're back on Monday. We're up 5% on the account. It is off of funding pips. The trade locker account is right here. We're gonna risk 1% today. Try to go for a 1 to 2 restored ratio. We might risk 1.3%, maybe, you know, because we're at 1.3 right here. Yeah, boys. And then once this account is passed, we're gonna do the phase 2 all together, right? And then after that, all the money that I make on that account is gonna get given back to you guys. You guys are gonna be the ones that help me make the money on that account with your decision making. Up to the moment, we have GJ rallying. Like I said, I don't think GJ is going to have a retracement right now. This is like the type of trade that I'd take on it right now. It's a pretty large stop loss, so I'm not going to take it right now. I'm not going to take a 70 pip trade right now, 70 pip stop loss. But I do understand that there's a lot of bullish momentum that GJ is probably not ready to retrace yet, right? We also don't have anything coming in on Forex Factory, right? So we go to Forex Factory and we see, do we have any red folder news hitting? No, we don't have any red folder news. So there's no big catalyst that could really change direction in the market today. Everything's just going to probably go in the direction that it's been moving in with London session. Make sense? And well, at least during London until we have the New York crossover. So now GU actually bounced. That's interesting. GU started bouncing exactly where we thought we could probably catch a bounce. Now I know a lot of people are going to be tempted to take these GU buys, but I'm thinking what's the chance that we actually take the sell and it continues to the downside, right? Because I've been the type I got to take a buy here and then it just fucking goes bullish for a little bit, out of nowhere it comes back to my break even, I hold it for a little bit more and then it obliterates. Kind of learned to not do that. Weekly. Yeah, interesting enough. The weekly had a retracement, then we had a continuation candlestick, and now our weekly is still very bearish, obviously with 4 days left. The weekly just started. DXY says this is what the dollar index is telling us. Dollar index is the weekly chart. So now let's try to ask ourselves, chat, where do we think the dollar is going to go? Do we think the dollar is going to be bullish this week, or if the dollar is going to be bearish? I mean, I'm going to put my chips around it being bullish, I guess, because the candlestick's already bullish, just taking a shot into the air. So if the dollar is bullish, that means GU should keep on going down. That means gold should go down. And I've been bearish on gold and GU. So I'm on the right track. I'm thinking I'm on the right track, even though this is going bullish. GU long in 5 minute. On the 5 minute, we don't. I mean, or we take this GJ buy. It's not horrible. It's not horrible because of our stop loss. We have anything shorter of our stop, we might get stopped out before it actually comes back to the take profit. I mean, it's moving already. We're gonna have to let this one pass. Jesus, don't hit my if it hits my take profit within like 10 minutes, I'm gonna be so pissed. 70 pips, that'd be crazy. Anton, the problem with trading on the 5 minute, and you know exactly what you're doing. You know exactly what you're doing. I don't gotta break it down for you, but it's obvious that, look, this is what the 5 minute looks like. The 5 minute here looks like you could have been a seller, you could have been a buyer, you could have been a seller, you could have been a buyer, you could have been a seller, you could have been a buyer, then you're a seller, then you're a buyer, then you're a seller, then you're a buyer, then you're a seller, then you're a buyer. Do you see how many times the 5 minute fucked with me there? How many times it went from bullish to bearish, from bearish to bullish? So anytime you're in a position on the 5 minute, does that actually mean that you're bullish when you're in a buy? Or does that actually mean you're bearish when you're in a sell? If you clearly go to the 5 minute and you see that this thing goes down for hella, you could get rich off a 5 minute fucking trade. And then 5, then 5, then 5, then 5, then 5. So you being able to identify clearly that on the 5 minute there's more than one direction. There's more than one candlestick structure. There's more, like, there's nothing actually going on. There's too much going on, so it means that there's nothing going on off the 5 minute. Like, you could get lucky, hop into the buy, and then randomly it pushes aggressively like it did on GU. But then what do you do after that? What's your direction after that if you're on the 5 minute? Like, what, you're about to, like, look at all this bearish. It's not text me.
I'm so up and I can't turn it down. They counted me out, my whole life turned around. Clean up my diamonds, you know I got rented. Know my boys coming, you know they be busy. That advance that you waiting for already spent it. When I'm on the beat, man, you know I'm gonna kill it. We be throwing money in a spiral. Every time your girl hear my song, yeah, turn her right into my hole. She shake her ass, do the eye roll. Got a skinny thong like a tie rope. I be blowing up like some pyro. Coupe 150, call it Cairo. I got different color on my diamonds. I can't even see the time. I don't wanna see her face. I'ma go and get behind. Drop the top on the rib. I'ma make it lose his.
All right, my bad. I was answering your text message. All right, under 5 minute reversal stuff, over 5 minute. My bad. I have no idea what that means, but the charts have not moved anywhere yet. I do like the GJ buys still, though, chat. If you guys are in GJ buys right now, hold for your goddamn life. Don't call tops, please. This is not the top of the market. That's my wait. If it will go high but not touch your TP, it will fall from the middle. What are we talking about? GJ? Man, you're about to make me friggin' impulsively buy in this trade. Impulsively buy in this trade and then scale into it all the way to my take profit. Bitch. I'm gonna. If I had $1 for every time I come onto this stream and I fucking call out a trade and then it just starts going without us, Jesus. Like, first of all, that GU snipe at the bottom would have been amazing. Oof, that GU snipe would have been amazing. You got it on the GJ long? I told you guys last week, I was like, boys, if you guys notice that all the time I'm always calling out trades perfectly and then they play out without us, I was like, whenever you guys see these perfect setups, don't overthink it. Just fucking Don overthink. This guy called me Don Overthink. Has anybody heard any updates from Don Vo yet, chat? Any updates from Don Vo? Yeah, thank God we stayed out of gold. Gold, so far, gold doesn't only look bullish. Damn, is that gold? Gold still has a possibility for a great sell, dude. Bitch, GJ is gonna go all the way. Alrighty, where's the volume? The market's getting freaking boring. He's gone. He rug pulled. He's gone, Peso. He rug pulled. We're talking about Donvo. That's funny. I have a friend who watches Donvo who told me over the phone. He was like, "Yeah, man, that man got away with a whole bunch of money." I'm like, "What? You think he actually robbed a whole bunch of people?" I don't think he robbed the money. I think he lost it. Why don't I think he robbed it? The only way he actually maybe robbed it was what, like maybe like when he like doubled the money, he had like a deal with the broker to tell the broker, hey, to switch it to fake capital. But like that sounds like a lot of trouble, and I don't know if the broker would want to do that, because if there's a real capital being traded, then they make money off every trade. So I think he legit just blew it like a dummy. He had his own lane and wave. He showed that I'm going to be one of the best because he's a fraud. People crazy, bruh. The thing is, his mother account, the MAM account, was only like 1 point something million, and I think that Donvo has made already over $1 million, maybe over 2. Maybe he's made a shit ton more than even those numbers, but I know that he's made more than $1 million. So when he makes more, if you have like $1 million to your name, I don't think you risk it all just to double your account, like risk your whole business that made you that $1 million. Like I don't think he purposely fucking tried to rug pull and run away. You feel me? Look at gold. Don't tell me it melted. No, hasn't gone anywhere. I mean, it hasn't retraced. It's gone up. 350 trades sounds like fucking a pip per trade, because that's what he does. Goes into drawdown a pip, closes, opens another one. Goes into drawdown a pip, closes, opens another one. Hold up, chat. Let me use the bathroom. And you know that bag on me, it's at least 50 bands in them jeans. Pockets fat, my jury dancing. Diamonds flood like New Orleans. Lavish like now, live like a king. I got on now, I'm blessing my team. Told my brother I got your back. Show my niggas what loyalty mean. But this shit wasn't as easy as it seems. My homie died at 16. I remember I was up all night. Kept seeing death in my dreams. I was posted on set with them fiends. Hiding them, got the tech with the string. Ladies tag, we was playing with them beans. Young nigga trying to kill everything. Touch soul in this 4 nickel ring. It's a whole lot of shots flying to get FaceTime with that Smith or West Spring. Slicky a dead man, shots on that fence brand. These days they don't give a fuck. They'll shoot where the kids playing. Judge trying to give them life to them gang signs, turn to prayer hands. I come from a dark place, I'll never be there again. Those G's on everything, Gucci my headband. Keep smoking these dead niggas. I feel like Red Man. Pouring lean up out my cup, running through these bucks, my dead friends. Capital I bought guns for the hood. Heard that's what the feds said. All right, if GJ comes back to this break even, I think we're going to take this trade. I know for sure the charts have an action-packed day for us, chat, so don't get impatient and just leave. I am for sure taking a trade today, right? For sure taking a trade today. We plan on getting off after, I mean, we've been on for an hour. We're staying on for another 2 hours. So don't feel like you're late. Don't feel like you've missed out on anything. I mean, the charts have not really presented much to us. Stay patient, boys. We got this. GJ is gonna end up hitting, or too late for GJ. So for those who ended up actually taking GJ, congratulations. You're right, Peso. He got caught in opening moves bad. You're right. He didn't do it on purpose. Plus, it was news as well. All right, gold is compressing between trends for me, but so. Compressing between trends, so he's saying that we're in between like this little range. Gold is in a little range and it's getting ready to either build up momentum to go up or build up momentum to go down. I mean, right now it looks like it's going up. So psychology trick, boys, which is what I'm doing right now. Whenever I have potential trades I want to hop in, I feel like I missed out on one, feel like I missed out on another. You have to give yourself a reset. What does that mean? Go to your phone, open up TikTok, watch 10 different fucking TikTok slides. Go to YouTube, watch a 2-minute goddamn video, and like, I don't know, distract yourself for a second. Trading comes in waves, right? So There's a wave that's crashing right now, which means that the volume's pushing. There's a wave that's like breaking, right? Then the wave, after it breaks, it retraces all back into the ocean, retrace, and that's when we're focusing. We're focusing on where it's retracing, or we're focusing when the volume's basically dying out. But right now we're in the middle of a crash, right? Right now there's, you know, whatever's happening already happened. We already missed the move. You can't imagine the waves starts to crash. You can't start trying to paddle and get on the board while it's crashing. You gotta wait. You gotta wait for the next wave to come. Wait for this one to crash. Wait for it to retrace, and then wait for the next one to build up. Point is, we missed out on this GG buy, right? Maybe it was for the better. Maybe it was for the worse. Up to the moment, we don't know. And I mean, gold. I don't say that. I'm not gonna say we missed out on the gold buy, or the GJ or the GU buy, because the GU is going back down. Like maybe we should possibly focus on this GU sell. I have no idea. Definitely know I need the reset. A little mental reset. It helps you to not just randomly just hop into trades just to be in one. Your education separates you from the rest. You are a blessing, brother. I know that. I've created some of the top traders that there is in this industry, and I ain't even saying it to just say it. That's a good way to put it. In buys from 93 gold, when do you think I should close? I think gold, it didn't look bullish at all for a little bit, and it's currently looking bullish right now. So if you're in a gold buy right now, getting towards this resistance, I think that this is where a lot of sellers are going to hop in, and I don't think it's going to do them much. I think you're in a great position. You're wick filling the top. You're going back to a level of resistance that looks like it needs to break. I mean, I'd say you close your trade at 2505, 2507, and if not that, it might even fucking go even longer. Wait to catch the next wave. Exactly. So there's a wave breaking right now. For all of us that we missed out on our trade. We missed out on our trade. No, we fucking didn't. You guys remember last week how many times we felt like we missed out on our trade day after day? It was on Thursday we felt like we missed out on our trade. We caught the beautiful GU. This day we felt like we missed out on our trade. I think that we also caught GU. No, it was GJ. It was GU again on Tuesday. No, GJ as well. Did we trade GU once or twice last week? I love that I could just click on it and see the trades. Fucking amazing. You've been in GJ buys for like 5 hours. Marcus, you're a freaking genius. I've been serving fiends all day out there posted with the gang, nigga. We was taught to get it off the block. It's 100 bands in the safe now. I got expensive taste. Michael Mary Jeans fill them up with knots. I've been on my grind every day. Don't believe in taking breaks. I ain't stopping till we chillin' at the top. Ever since I stepped up in this game, I've been a bomb threat. I was in the trenches trying to see a life beyond that. Cause complacent niggas usually die up in they complex. Nigga, where I'm from, they damn, it's so upsetting that this GJ is gonna go. It's gonna be one of those momentum trades. What I mean by momentum trade, it's whenever we have GJ, whenever we have price going upwards in a direction or downwards in a direction, and it's not that it has a lot of volume, but it keeps on moving in that direction, and therefore you get no retracements. It's like you know, you either catch it at a resistance, this is a resistance, and it keeps on going, or you're just never gonna be able to catch it. And it's like we're dancing around entry, but my feeling is that I'm gonna hop into this trade and this thing's gonna just start tanking. Right? Damn, GJ. GJ and GU since last week, I don't know if you guys have noticed, just completely the opposite ways. Damn, GJ's gonna fucking smash. Does anybody have any song requests that they want me to put on my YouTube chat? Any song requests? Now gold's on business, muchacho. What, gold's also flying? I mean, gold hasn't gone anywhere. The only thing that's actually moving right now, in my opinion, I mean, gold has moved, but GJ is really what's putting on a show, and it's not much of a show. Let's go look at US 30 chat. Oh, what the fuck did I just type? US 30. Okay, let's not look at it like that. Just put Dow. I see the Dow going bullish. 6-9 only. Project Pat. Wait, whoa. Tony said Rich. Alright. Chris, I put Chris Tran's song. Well, the song he requested. Alright, GJ is actually going to retrace back to my break even. Do we fucking hop into this trade or we'd be patient? That's the question we got to ask ourselves right now.
I was broke, pocket full of lead. Now I'm on the bricks, getting paid like no other dog. Now I'm stacking chips.
Well, I love that I'm up 5% on this challenge because it really does give me space to be able to, like, you know, go into drawdown, skill into a trade, do whatever the fuck I want to do. But I don't know. I don't want to be impatient and start getting crazy off some fucking bullshit ass session. I don't even hear the song, chat, so. Gold flying, DXY flying, GJ flying. What the fuck makes sense? Damn, boy, the dollar index is flying. So why the fuck is gold flying? Why is GU going up? Why does nothing make sense? That doesn't. I don't get that.
My cousin took a fall, a sad song. Seemed like we was just on the phone. Now he gone. People used to try to judge him, say he was wrong, but you can't try to judge a man.
Nothing makes sense on him. What it do, Hood Gabbit? What it do? Why do we got people that I fucking want to say what's up to him? They in the chat, they ain't even saying what's up. That's the first time I see Hood Gabbit say something. What it do, Hood Gabbit? How you been, brother? Oh, you hear that? You remember that, Slick? My president is black. My Lambo is blue. What it do, King City? Shout out to the whole family. The whole family's out here for a stream. Boys, we're here early. Well, I don't know if that's early, but chat, point is, we're up 5% on our challenge, right? We're 5% up on the challenge. Dashboard shows that last week we had a flawless week. This Thursday we actually was Thursday that we actually called out a beautiful GU long. Actually ended up hitting the 1-to-1 destroyed ratio. Don't matter though, whatever. We had a flawless week. We're up 5%. You can see $5,000 net P&L. Boys, we're on our funding pips challenge, and let's fucking get ready to kill it, boys. Let's get ready to fucking slaughter it. Let's get ready to kill it. GG's coming back. We haven't hopped into any trades yet, and that's been a good thing. Chat, we're back. Nico, you want to say what's up to the camera? You here early? What's up? How much us the challenge? How much was my challenge? I actually have no idea. I don't remember. It's a $100,000 challenge though. Whatever the $100,000 challenge just costs is a 2-phase. The plan is to take 1 trade a day on stream. 1 trade a day on stream. I manage it on live stream as well, so you guys can follow along past your challenges with us. And once the account is live, you guys are gonna help me trade it on live stream, and all the money that I make on this is gonna go back to you guys. Hey, good morning. I know you want to give a hug. Relax. I'll take you to the park after, buddy. Dude, what's up? Got nowhere. He is a golden doodle. He's just, why are you on my chest? Like, dude, what happened? What happened? Hey, back up. Alright, what's the target profits? You have to make 10%, and then for a verification stage to show that you didn't do it with luck, you have to make 5%. I take mine to the park out here in Dallas where they serve food and beer. Damn! A dog park where they serve food and beer? Stop playing with the guy. I got a German Shepherd. It's scared shitless of my... That's funny. Alright, chat, any other song request? I kind of took out Chris's song halfway. I didn't even hear. I apologize for the disrespect. I just really wanted to put this one. Dude, I'm about to hop into this buy, actually. Imagine we just... Yep, call the mutts. They're like $100 and you can't do it. Wait. Oh, it's called mutts. That's dope. Doggy dates. My dog's looking at me like, hey, I need to go pee. Dude, we'd be ballsy to hop into a gold sell right now. 1's in the chat if you guys are bullish on gold. 2's in the chat if you guys are bearish on gold. Because I'm thinking, I have no idea what gold right now. And then GU, fuck that. Yeah, I'm bullish on gold. I'm more bullish than bearish on gold. But I've still seen this go bearish, man. I have seen this setup go bearish before. Avmar is bullish. Xander is bearish. Damn, dude. I haven't seen many people in the chat say, hey, GJ is gonna sell off. Does anybody believe GJ is gonna actually sell off on us? Like, if we do look at the hard time, like, imagine we do see the fucking 4 hour just end up going bullish and we're down here by New York session. I don't know anymore either. On a losing streak? How the hell are you on a losing streak? Weren't you up hella money on that account? How's that account looking that you're up on? Lax me? This guy got me with his name. What it do, sir? How's everything, brother? Come on, chart. Let's get some volatility. Let's get moving. Let's start seeing some fucking trades. I am from India. Shout out to India. Shout out to India. Man, such kind people. Great, kind people. Very cultural. Very family oriented. What a blessing of a country. I am back on one. Last sell on GJ. You're gonna sell GJ right now? Hey Nico. Hey chat. I'm gonna be back in 5 minutes. Give me 5 minutes. Legit 5 minutes. Hopefully we don't lose the whole stream. I am gonna let my dog go pee outside real quick. It's gonna be the quick pee session. Super quick. Any open trades? No open trades up to the moment. What we do have is our dashboard. So you guys can see the dashboard. You know, see you soon. Best country I've ever visited? I mean, it's pretty obvious that America is the best. Now, for raising families and stuff like that, I mean, it's like a contradictory thing, man, because America has so much negative things about it. Like, America's education system is not too great. American people are not too cultural. There's no, like, real identity here, but man, this is the place where the most entrepreneurs in the world fucking, you know, become. This is United States is the place where the most youngest people become rich. There's the most youngest entrepreneurs, the richest entrepreneurs, youngest entrepreneurs, whatever the fuck you want to say it, however you want to say it. It's like you're just around money. It makes you make money. You know, it's just a thing, man. Like, we hustlers out here. So there is positive sides to it, but I do see the negative sides to it. Therefore, I'm nobody to trash on anybody else's country. There's beautiful things about raising children in every place. Should be trying stuff on my funded account, but it's fine. I got a brown pit bull with red eyes and a red nose named Lucifer. Damn. Keep that guy with... Not at the dog park, boy. Put that boy in a cage. With a freaking shot collar. McDonald's, everything. All right, chat. Be right back.
Coupon, told you from never again, upper echelon, I get the stacking up, I'm untouchable, I get to represent, money multiple, I'm at the top of the charts, unapproachable, bread by the loaf, turbo the motor, tic-tac-toe, kill another vulture, selling their bows, bitch do yoga, out of serving rewards, serving these boulders, 100 grand large, when I shop, that's a total, fill up the garage, bitch I'm a mogul, ain't no facade, ain't no fugazi, I jump it off, I get paid, drop top runs, I'm going crazy, I put shop, smoking on haze, not trying to floss, Cartier shade, candy in the cup, gotta get paid, king in the streets, young nigga made, spraying on the crowd, take it to the grave, ain't having problems, I'm sipping the bar, shout out to Dallas, my bitch is a star, nigga get rich, better take you to war, piss on your casket, shoot at your bra, do you something nasty, roll you in a car, bitch get graphic, fuck me in a car, I get your brand new roller tomorrow, I put that brand new roll on your arm, ain't moving slow, but I'm still on hard, tennis bracelets and they came with the fraud, we go to your jaw, step up the swag when I step on a bra. Chicago that time, my bullshit aside, wonderful vibe, wonderful night. Hit it with try, all again is you and I, off in this club, bumping and grind. Who made it flood? You see the signs. We put out the feathers for this type of weather. She put it a club to bust up a dub. She came with a man, I called in the sub. She giving her hugs, we know about the mud. She put in my hand, don't know what it was. She knows something to fam, but don't know enough. My trust is in God we trust. Sipping on what don't do touch. She got her own fan, she need a buzz. Might give her a chance, it's giving her. Out in the trance, it's giving her. Not on those hands, it's giving her. Nigga with bands, it's giving her. A nigga with plans, it's giving her. Still in the gym, ain't did the implants. I like it for real, ain't giving up. Like they know that you real, they give it up. Like if you got the steal, they give it up. Taking these M's, they giving us. And running the field like it's 10 of us.
All right, we didn't lose the whole fucking stream. Let's put on an actual good song. Dude, Last time, so for those who weren't able to see what happened, we actually were up 3.7%, basically where we are now, and we went all the way back to back to down 1.5%. Chat, we started down 2%, and we lost hella faith there. And then I don't know, one trade I was all the way back, and then we almost passed it. I was like, you know what, we're gonna pass it within the next 2 trades. Aggressive as fuck. Back to drawdown. Then everybody was like, ah, we've been losing too much. I'm like, what the fuck you mean we've been losing too much? Alrighty. Boom. Flawless week. So, while other people are going in profit, losing, going in profit, losing. Forgot to say something. Last week and the week before that, and the week before that, the charts have not been moving too clean. So I made it very clear, if you've been trading actively, very actively, and you're at break even or just barely in profit, or you're only a little bit in drawdown, boy, you've been performing, because the markets have been brutal. So therefore, if you've been surviving in these brutal ass markets, then you've been performing very well. All you need to do is just hang in there up until you actually catch a good break from the market, right? Let the market actually start trending. Let yourself keep on trading those same setups, and then eventually you're going to catch one of them bangers. Last time, I'm going to leave my chart. Damn, so my wife was supposed to go to work. I go to walk my dog, and I run into my wife. I'm like, whoa, what the fuck you doing here? And she's like, I forgot to do my homework. I'm like, what does that mean? She goes, I told my job that I can't go today. I'm like, damn, now I gotta deal with my wife all day. All right, have you ever ate hot potatoes with cheese and beans? I'm getting reels of it, how it tastes. Anyone? Bro, what the hell are you asking? That's the most normal thing to eat in the world. It's just freaking potatoes with cheese. Everybody puts fucking, if you don't put cheese in your potatoes, the fuck you eating? It's like eating goddamn meat with no salt. You can't find that there? Boy. The one thing I do not want to experience is Indian food. I want to experience India. I want to see a little bit of Delhi. I want to see a little bit of dingy 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 dingy. But I am scared of eating Indian food, boy. I am so picky with the food. I'm so picky with like so many things when it comes to food that the second that they serve me a plate, I'm gonna look at them in the world. I'm gonna be like, oh, and then they're gonna put it with their hands on my shit. And I'm gonna be like, oh, and then I'm gonna taste it, and it's gonna be just a whole bunch of like grinded up vegetables, and then oh boy, oh hell no. Y'all see how many times I go to the bathroom in the morning? Those aren't little piss sessions, boys. That's me, you know, releasing the valve. Best country you've ever visited, man. It's hard to say. Every country has a beauty in itself. Indian food hit orgasm, bro, for real. Arnold's laughing because of the bathroom thing. Honey mustard and sweet potato fries. Ooh, that's the best. That is the best. Those sweet potato fries with honey mustard. But it has to be the sweet potato fries that are like waffles. Like the Mine's home on maternity leave peso. Oh, mine's home on maternity leave peso. So she shouldn't be upset because it's a fine danger zone. She's whoa. Do you mean that, Tony, you're gonna be a father? Or it's not your child? I'm just kidding. Tony, you're a upcoming father, or you already have a child? This 15-minute closes bull on gold. I don't have any more top trends for it, so lever trays before longs. Dude, we've gotten nowhere. These fucking charts aren't fucking moving. To continue now, to be proud. Boy, you think they should be. Thank you, baby. Hey, Nico. You excited? Look how excited he is, dude. Hey, my boy, my boy. Why are you so happy? You like when mama's home? Yeah, you do. Yep. All right, back up. With your freaking wet paws. Bada says, I want kids too. I'm getting late. Bada's just turned like 19. He's like, Bada's is like, oh, I feel so lonely. I need a woman. I need kids. It's like, dude just turned fucking 18. Trust me, I don't have kids. Haha, you will thank me later. That's the fuck, bro. They said. Oh wow! Look at you, Tony. Congratulations, boys. That is the definition there of success. A lot of people like putting success behind dollar amounts. There's things that you cannot buy. That is, I mean, shit. Depends what country, but a beautiful wife, you can't buy that in America. Actually, you can, you know what? Let's not go there. You can't buy that. You know, beautiful children, you can't buy that either. Or you kind of can, but you know, I'm just kidding. LMAO, I had mine at 28. Never wanted kids. I want 5 now. That's crazy. This song is called Runway. Called OnlyFans. You can buy beautiful. I mean, I was thinking of you just going and adopting foster children. That's what I was thinking in my head. Or I don't know, hitting up one of Epstein's boys and being like, yo, you know, get me a little 4-year-old, get me a little 7-year-old or something. When you adopt, it's for free? I promise you it ain't for free, brother. Nothing's for free. Like, what? You want to buy one of your friend's kids, but he's not agreeing to sell them? Jesus, I feel like everything Bada says, it's like with no sarcasm, just straight truth. Dude, alright guys. Ripple fib potentially forming. Focus up, chat. Do we identify this as a ripple fib? So we have ascending levels of support, right? That is the part that I could agree with. Ascending levels of support. But now, do we have only one level of resistance to be shared with those ascending levels of support? So resistance, resistance, resistance. Boys, ripple fib formed. Are we taking this long on GJ or what? Dude, if we get collabed off a cell, I'd be. Oh, this is gold. What the fuck am I doing? I'm so sorry. This is gold. This is gold. Which is good. Damn, this looks good for buys, right? I like this for buys. Alright, let's see if we can get our. We're gonna wait 5 minutes so we see if we get our hourly counts at closure, boys. We have 5 minutes till an hourly counts at closure. Hourly counts at closure also coming in, obviously, for across the board everywhere we see. GJ is finally retracing. Let's see if that. Adoption centers, you only give kids to people who are rich as fuck. Yeah, that's what I'm aware of. That you need to be able to like fucking prove that you can actually fucking pay for the kids' bullshit. Looks like a good rally rating to happen on gold, right? On the smaller time frames, it looks amazing. Higher time frames, I mean, this is a great ripple fib, boys. It's a great ripple fib. I think that me being scared is what's holding me from not hopping into this trade. Meaning, I need to fucking get myself into this trade. we're at, like I said, let's wait for the hourly candlestick to close. Let's see a new one to open, and hopefully we get to catch ourselves in a good position, boys. I'm liking gold longs right now, which I liked gold sells at the beginning of the stream, so I'm not a big fan of the whole bias flip. Yeah, this still, I mean, don't call tops on GJ, boys. So anybody who says, hey, we should take a sell on GJ, or hey, you know, like, I don't agree with it. Euro CHF, yes, thank you, boys. Let me know what charts you guys want me to break down and give my opinion on. I don't trade Euro CHF at all, specifically because of something like that. Like, what is this? I don't even think I typed it in. Euro CHF. I was goddamn looking at Aztec scrolls or some shit. All right, so we had, I mean, look how perfect. This is what I teach on the channel all the time, boys. Bullish candlestick. Bullish candlestick. Continuation. What happened after that? Bullish. Where did these buys end up happening? They ended up happening at a level of resistance. So do you see what I mean by a lot of people? I mean, majority of traders, hey, sell at resistance, you have to buy at support, sell at resistance. It's like, I don't remember. Like, it's never like that. We're usually fucking, and it's not going to say never. It's just, my point is that you can't hold these as absolutes. We're not always selling at resistance. This was a resistance level right here. Obviously we have support down here or down here, right? Whatever you guys want to consider as a support level, but regardless, we were taking the buys at the level of resistance. So how does you see? It all depends on the setup. The point is bullish candlestick, continuation, bullish. Easy to identify that trend. We had our SMAs carrying price, so we can see that we've been respecting the SMA, especially after this huge impulse that we started trading above it. That was a very easy, man. I wish we would have seen this beforehand, because I've always, man, whenever you see these candlesticks just doing those continuation patterns, 1, 2, 3, man, just catch the continuation trade. I'm telling you, majority of the times that's where it's gonna go. Seeing beautiful setups like that motivates me to fucking catch one, bro. I like GJ buys still. GJ buys still look amazing. Higher time frames, gold looks like it could die though. Higher time frames when it comes down to the 4 hour. I mean, 4 hour, it's still not clear. Daily, still not clear. All right, boys, 2 minutes left till we have our hourly candlestick closure. I mean, gold is going to start picking up volatility soon. We're about to see, I mean, New York session is about to open real soon. So let's get our London, New York crossover. Let's try to catch a trade, boys. Like I said, I'm not leaving here without a trade. I am dying to catch a 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. We're up $5,000, man. All we need is a little 5%er. Patrick Cook, Tony Gold. Y'all like the artists that I have on right now? Or you guys aren't fans of ZB? GU still has gone nowhere. Damn, dude, I'm about to just snipe this GJ buy straight the fuck up. All right, 40 pips looks like that. That's a 40 pip burger. Damn, that boy Patrick Cook said nah. That boy likes like Jelly Bean or Luke Bryan or Shabuzi. That boy is a Shabuzi fan. All right, new hourly candlestick has opened across the board, boys. Hourly candlestick, that's how GJ's looking. It's retracing. This one probably gonna fucking fly. What to do, KB? Chat, for those who have been here since the beginning of the stream, make sure you guys like up the stream. Make sure you guys subscribe, turn on post notifications, because we stream daily. Like I said, we are doing a $50 giveaway if we get to catch 50 likes this stream. So if you guys want to do a $50 giveaway, have a chance. Never have heard of him. Can't cat. Yeah, you have. Zach Bryan. No chance you haven't heard of Zach Bryan. Close to impossible. He's like America's hero right now.
He got caught counting cards and then spades broke his heart. Then them Point Breeze boys broke his nose. Heard Mary got that job that she wanted out of town. She was better than the sum of all of us anyhow. She still stops by whenever she can.
What? He got given a car? By who? No, I didn't stream on Friday. He's got used again by a prop firm. Oh my god. All right, but what's the car he got given? I don't even know what the car is. An F8? Oh, damn. He's finally back in a fucking nice car. Is it white? What is it? All right, I've been locked in a room the past 6 months trying to figure this out. in what sense, Tony? As in, like, the charts?
Them damn cold vampires been keeping me awake, trying to build an empire of things that they can take. Don't let them steal your whole child and turn it something green. Damn you and damn all the ties to this machine, ties to this machine. You moved to the city, girl, to make something of your
I don't think I wouldn't put a time frame behind what is enough and what's not enough. I mean, Dr. Dollar learned how to trade in fucking 6 months, and within 8 months he had his fucking. Within 6 months of Dr. Dollar learning how to trade, he had his own prop firm. I mean, his own prop firm, his own signal service, his own fucking live stream. And then by a year of trading, he had his own courses and stuff like that. Now, whatever you guys want to put behind that label, now is it too early? Is it too late? I have no idea. But point is, have I seen it all? I have. So I wouldn't put any time frame behind what you think is too soon or not too soon. What I do think is that the way that person got to there was showing up every single day, no matter what the Friday, and putting in the work every single day. So yeah, locking yourself for 6 months, look, you're on the correct track. Damn. Load, you fucking screen. There you go. But yeah, it just takes, man, experience is really what makes you a good trader. Experience makes you a good trader, so therefore putting yourself in the fire as many times as possible is the ways that you're going to be, you know, advancing yourself as a trader. Damn.
Never let them speak, and don't let them tell a lie. Let them know that you're walking alone to a warm home.
Anus, it's been 3.3 years. The missus was catching on. I spent all my cryptocurrency at peso. Stop blowing challenges and accounts for wife, he said. numbers.
they can take. Don't let
You
'em
gotta do
steal your whole
something
child
else.
and turn it something green. Damn you and damn all. You're tied to this machine. Tied to this machine. There's hope for the mortal. Stay clear and stay true.
Dude, these charts need to get fucking going. All right. When it comes down to everything, I'm liking gold longs. Gold longs. I mean, it's kind of reminding me of the setup of we're at previous resistance. I know that there's going to be a lot of sellers here. I mean, it's where we're accumulating ourselves, right? Ascending levels of support, ascending, and then this level of resistance is the one that's holding. It's not picture perfect, but it's there. I think we're taking the buy. Jesus Christ, but then I just go to the 4 hour and it looks like this. Yeah, I know the higher time frames are bearish, which is throwing me off.
Damn genius, lately TikTok talking, late night TV, still so much I have yet to know. Get dressed up just to go downtown in some ego filled late night crowd seems to be where I feel. Like getting lost on
Honestly, I still like the gold longs. And it comes down to this chart right here. This is where I think majority of the people would be like, oh, this is where we take the sell. I think it's trying to fake us out on this type of sell format here. Setup here. I think that... Damn, dude. Nah, let's just be patient. That's just the impatience getting to me. I like the longs. I feel like that I have a good chance of catching a longs without any retracements to draw down, bro. Bigger time frames are bearish. Gold is at the squeeze. Touch the bottom trend and it could close over the top of this candle. Yeah, dude. It's got... You're right, dude. It's about to fucking squeeze to the top and I'm gonna miss out.
Exes hate me and my friends all miss me. I wanna drown in rock good whiskey. Leave this small town for a while. Heading to Paris on a late night flight. Find a bar and get in a fight. Write a few poems on a sunny balcony. I wanna be a child climbing trees somewhere, breathing in the fresh outside air.
Oh shit, what the fuck is this?
My old man bought a big bass boat. When I think of that summer, hope I drove. Even if we didn't catch a little bit of something.
Alright, boom. We started getting some movement. GJ is starting to go downwards.
I gotta need to find trouble when things are alright.
I'm already 30 in. I see something minutes ago on stream. I'm already 30 in. I see something minutes ago on stream. I don't really understand a lot of what Tony says. Kind of confused. I'm already 30. You're already 30 minutes in. You're already 30 lots in. You're already 30 in. I see something. 40 minutes ago on stream. I have no idea. I also didn't understand. He says Peso stop blowing challenges and accounts, or wifey said. And so I don't know if he says that he's blowing accounts and challenges, or if I'm blowing accounts and challenges. Regardless, if I'm blowing accounts and challenges, I still got hella more to keep on buying, keep on making more money. If you ain't blowing, you ain't passing. 292494 Peso showed us the marked. That's on gold, I imagine. I think he was maybe like in my trade that I had up on gold. Who knows? Get me in a trade already, boys. Boom! GJ's retracing. That is a successful day for us so far because we are not in a freaking GJ long, and it is retracing aggressively, potentially giving us a chance to be able to hop into its long. We got to focus on that, but let's see if we're retracing anywhere else. Gold, not yet. GU, not yet. GJ. All right, boys. I think now my favorite trade looks like sniping a buy on GJ. Fucking knew it. GJ would be at my TP2 now. How the hell is this a TP2? TP2 to the top or TP2 to the bottom? Only pips. I thought we had the conversation on that we are not trading on the 1 minute anymore. No 1 minute trades. 1 minute is a no bueno. 1 minute is for people who can't sit around and wait. TP2 on a 1 minute chart? That's crazy. You caught the top. No bueno, only pips. No bueno. If you caught the top here, that means that you tried catching the top here. 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 You lost. Oh yeah, you got lucky on this one. It went to your take profit one. You closed out because you lost like 10 times in a row, and so you're like, oh, now let me fucking catch this. Let me just close out, and then out of nowhere, it's just that's exactly why whenever people are trading on the 1 minute and the 5 minute, they think they're trading, and they think they're catching valid setups. But I'm telling you, chat, when you become profitable, you will understand the 1 minute and 5 minute and 15 minute all are irrelevant. Irrelevant. As in like boys, look at this. This is for the since goddamn the begin. Like, look, this is the only thing it's done. It's gone up, it's gone down, 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 it's gone down, it's down.
And it happens that the boys were there. Recognized his backside from the color of her mother's hair. And my brother found another way to make himself.
The thighs like she working glad it's nice. Yeah, I was never nothing nice. Niggas know the real secrets left in hidden hills.
I had like 15. Okay, look, this is what 15 pips is. I just barely drew out a 15 pip stop loss. Let's see. I just really want to try to, and it's not that I'm trying to fight you. I'm not trying to, all I'm trying to get for you guys to understand that are trading off the lower time frames is Look at this, boys. If you guys throw yourselves a 15 pips, this is what 15 pips is right here. This is what 15 pips is right here, right? So anywhere you put yourself on this chart with that 15 pip stop loss, all right, let's copy it. 15 pips. That's what 15 pips is, right? So this is a 1-to-1 right here. Boys, this is how you instantly stop yourself out of a trade. Throwing a 15 pip stop loss. It's like every candlestick here is like double the size. This is what a 15 pip stop loss does. I mean, I can't really think of a good way to explain it. Let me try to find a good, like, my point is, with a 15 pip stop loss, you are not trying to actually throw the stop like a 15 pip stop loss just means that you're trying to go instantly into profit, and if you go into drawdown, you're getting stopped out. It's, I don't even know how to explain it, bro. Goodbyes, Luca no limit strat. Dude, it's just not doable at all. Like, I mean, it is sometimes. It's a very hard thing. I don't know. I can't wrap my head around it right now. 15 pips, dude. Does anybody else feel me at all with what I'm trying to express? Maybe they have a better way to put it into words. Oh my god, gold. Don't fucking just... The Ripple fib is gonna go. Guys, we're getting ready to take the GJ buy. We're getting ready to take the GJ buy. I think only pips, 15 pips is almost there. It's almost there to acceptable. Try doubling that. Take the same exact setups you're taking, double it. Make sure your take profit and stop loss is 30 pips, right? And let's see how much it changes. How many, like, how, you know, what the win rate is there and how it changes everything. I think you'll find a lot more success with 30 pip stop loss instead of 15. I think it'll make a huge difference. Dude, this better not be the beginning of a sellout on GJ. I'm gonna get ready to take buys on GJ. I like GJ buys. I love gold buys even more, but I was too pussy to take it. It's gone without us. Gone like the wind. I'm seeing buys on GJ as well. Just adding things to my playbook. I like that, only pips. That makes sense. You gotta try out things to be able to know what's on the playbook. You're right about that. Where's AJ, bruh? I gotta show AJ my last bets. That boy Eric been in a GBP CAD, so I don't have Eric on here yet because I haven't taken out. I banned Eric and I forgot to unban him. Hopefully he's still watching right now.
with. Don't ever ask for nothing, cause them niggas got their own shit. Me and Weezy like a mouth full of hot peppers. Black Ferrari with the red seats, I call it playing checkers. I'm never doing verses, I'm forever giving lectures. If you're trying to meet with money, I'd be happy to connect ya. Life is better than it's ever been. Scheduling $1 million meetings with the president. Someone cut the lights on, where is Thomas Edison? Got a new condo, watch me as I settle in. I deserve an MTV show for me and my people. And if you're trying to zone, I got a whole swish of sweet food. Rappers all liars and they women are deceitful. Adding to they subtract me, I'd never be an equal. Last place, Drizzy is the nigga in the lead now. Weezy told me just write every single thing you need down. Then he got it for me and I'm happy as can be now. About to start balling like I'm coming off a rebound. Yeah, and I should have the most bragging rights because a nigga spit crack, bag it tight. Hate when rappers say they trying to get their swagger right, cause I done came with more fire than a dragon fight. Fuck you, pussy ass hater, you should do you. You ain't heard of me, then you should go and get a blue slew. Oops, I mean a red glue. Wayne's here, Sue Woo. Betty felt that like the end of a pool cue. But I ain't banging, I ain't waving no flag. I'm ATF, but they ain't seeing no badge. It's hard.
1.5% risk. I think we're gonna go for 1% risk. 1.3%. GG's falling. Obviously, we're not gonna take the buy just like that. Hold up.
But don't ask me shit about me. You know the game really ain't shit without me. She might have to pay me, but I dick her down free. Wanna know if it's the truth, then pull the zipper down and see.
All right, my bad. I was sending something to AJ. He just barely opened it on Instagram. My boy. All right, is it gonna rain today? Nope. GJ short. I'm not sure up to the moment. I think I'm gonna take GJ buys, bro. I like the buys. I like the buys. I don't love them, but I like them. Let's go look at GJ buys. If I take a stop loss, it's gonna have to be around a 30 pip stop loss, maybe 40. I'll take one like right there, that type of stop loss. I think this chart needs to go down. It's like a 50 pip right there. That's way too much. Jesus. It's coming down though. It's what we needed, some volume, baby. We're gonna take it at the 50 SMA, or we're gonna take it beneath the 50 SMA. Beneath the 50 SMA. That boy said TP3 now. Yo, stop. Stop, please. Gold's flying. Yep, gold's flying. That gold could have been an easy motherfucking trade. Ripple fib. I feel like at one point I told myself in my head, hey, for sure, let's just get in this trade. I don't see it selling off. And then I don't know. Oh, the higher time frame. Yes. And then I went to the higher time frame and I didn't hop in it. That's why I didn't hop in it. The higher time frame threw me off on gold.
I'm a hog, gotta get along with, get on the song with, we should be going right, well I just flip into the wrong shit. The team that I belong to, the artists I put on with, don't ever ask for nothing, cause them niggas got their own shit. Me and Weezy like a mouth full of hot peppers, Black Ferrari with the...
Where are you, boy? I'm here on live stream, waiting to see my boy. Oh, AJ's here. I was just sending him a voice note. What it do, AJ? That boy trades by AJ. AJ, you saw that fucking parlay that hit? $4 for 300 something, bruh. The parlays that hit be the ones that you be fucking trading when you're half asleep. Boy, half asleep closing out on them things.
Last place, Drizzy is the nigga in the lead now. Weezy told me just write every single thing you need down. Then he got it for me, and I'm happy as can be now. About to start balling like I'm coming off a rebound. Yeah, and I should have the most bragging rights because the niggas spit crack, bag it tight. Hate when rappers say they trying to get their swagger right. Cause I done came with more fire than a dragon fight. Fuck you, pussy ass hater, you should do you. You ain't heard of me, then you should go and get a glimpse.
Alright, boys, it's gonna be even more insane when I try to snipe the fuck out of this GJ buy. Let's see if we get an actual, so we had our 4-hour candlestick flip bearish. This is where we're gonna start seeing a lot of sellers start hopping into the charts, into the trades. A lot of sellers triggered into their trades. That's the way you put it. I still think that we have the bullish price action to go. I mean, we have this little upside down head and shoulders, which means that, yeah, these retracements are just part of the process. I'm not gonna get too scared about them. I'm gonna just flip my bias just because, but I do believe it needs to go down a little bit more. I do believe it needs to go down a little bit more. Now, we could ignore the go down a little bit more and just have a super large stop loss, or we could let it go down a little bit more, lower our stop loss, and be a little bit more accurate with it. That's a 40 pip stop loss. That's bound to get stopped out. This candlestick still has a lot of momentum left in it. This 30-minute candlestick still is going downwards, boys. Please do not hop into the buy yet. Please relax your guys' selves. Chat, if you guys have not liked up the stream yet, make sure you guys like up the stream. Make sure you guys subscribe, turn on post notifications because we live stream every single day. AJ update. If you guys have not seen the update of last week's trading session, last week Monday was a win, last week Tuesday was a win, last week Wednesday was a win, last week Thursday I personally closed at a break even. The trade ended up hitting, right? Oh my god, look at gold. We would have fucking won by now. That kind of pisses me off. I'm just gonna remember that last week we thought we missed out on our trade many times and we still fucking slaughtered it. Dude, it was such an easy trade. Is that the fucking higher time frame? Like, I hate double bottoms, boys. I never trade the double bottom. I never believe in them. I never even call them out. And then when they actually end up happening, it just fucks me. Regardless of that, beautiful fucking trade that we missed out on. Trends don't lie. They don't. Dude, this I've gotten clapped taking this type of setup before. It's here. All right, we're either losing 1% or we're either gonna make a percent. It's that simple. I'm throwing a stop loss. 187. 187, 150. I think I'm gonna throw a stop loss. Damn, but it's falling down with a lot of momentum. Let's see if it holds anything. Damn, chat. All right, one's in the chat if you guys like GJ buys. Two's in the chat if you guys like GJ sells. One's in the chat if you guys like GJ buys, boys. Two's in the chat if you guys like GJ sells. Jesus. Charts are cooking up now. Where the fuck? Oh, well, GJ is still falling. GJ is falling. No buys yet. Dude, AJ's trying to get the account blown. It said full margin buys. Trust.
the studio, but they'll lay some. Rest in peace to Drama King. We was straight stun. You don't like the way I talk.
Bro, fall. If it keeps on falling, just know that it's an extra confirmation for me to snipe the fuck out of it. This used to be my #1 trading strategy, which was I used to trade Fibonacci bounces strictly because I learned off of Daniel Savage, which was probably playing me to the bad side.
Plus I'm cooking up ambition on the kitchen stove. Pot start to bubble, see the suds, that shit good to go. Post sound suave, but I can't get recalled, bro. Think he John Wayne. I bought them Yellowstones, love the way they hang, babe. For the silicone, everybody fake now. You could crack the code, bust down everything. Set in rose gold, dread talking to you niggas.
Patrick, this is your long entry signal. Oh, it's at 300.
Woke up looking for the broccoli. I keep a horn on me. That come my seat. IP ownership. The blueprint is by me. Mr. Get Off. I get off at my feet.
No, he's a good trader, bro. You know this.
What's the pass?
No, we're not in yet. Check Instagram.
You late.
That boy at the game? That boy 3-leg plus 1. Yo, that boy's amazing at hitting them little 3 legs.
What's up with these jabroni ass niggas trying to see Compton? The industry can hate me. Fuck them all and they mama. How many options you really got? I mean, it's too many options. I'm finna pass on this body. I'm John Stockton. Beat your ass and hide the Bible if God watching. Sometimes you gotta pop out and show niggas. Certified boogeyman, I'm the one that up to score with him. Walking down whole time, I know he got some hoe in him. Pole on him, extort shit, bully the flow on him. Say Drake, I hear you like I'm young. You better not ever go to cell block 1. To any bitch that talk to him and they in love, just make sure you hide your little sister from him. They tell me Chubb's the only one that get your hand-me-downs. And party at the party playing with his nose now. And Baca got a weird case, why is he around? Certified lover boys, certified pedophiles. Wop, 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 wop. That fuck him up. Wop, 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 wop. I'ma do my stuff. Why you trolling like a bitch, ain't you tired? Trying to strike a chord and it's probably A minor. They not like us. 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 You think the Bay gon' let you disrespect Pop, nigga? I think that Oakland show gon' be your last stop, nigga. They cold foul. I don't know why you still pretending. What is the owl? Bird niggas and bird bitches. Go. The audience not dumb. Shape the stories how you want. Hey Drake, they're not slow.
I think we missed a sell. No, we didn't miss a sell. All right, why did we not miss this sell, chat? Because if we could identify a trend within a market, which is this bullish trend that we've been having for, it's been 2, 8, 2, 4, 8, 6. It's been more than 12 hours we've been going bullish. We're not going to just randomly start calling tops and be like, oh, now we're going bearish because we want to be in a trade. If we're going to go by that logic that we should have been in that sell, that means that we should have been in this sell, we should have been in this sell, we should have been in this sell, we should have been in this sell. Like with that logic, you should just put yourself in any sell whenever you think you're overbought, you know? So I don't go with that bullshit logic of, oh, we missed out on the sell, we should have been in this. Like, why should we have been in this sell right here? What tells us that we should actually be in this sell? Absolutely nothing. What this does tell us is, hey, look, now we're retraced underneath this 8 SMA. This might be a perfect time to be able to now catch this buy and then break through this resistance. That's the only thing that we should be focused on, right? Focused on where momentum has been pushing, which has been upwards. Upwards, chat. That's where we're going. But oh, we missed out on the sell. Nobody missed out on the sell. The only people that were taking those sells are the ones that feel like they missed out on the buys. You know? And those could take your goddamn sells. Watch how we enjoy our buys.
Let me break it down for you. This the real nigga challenge. You caught future when you didn't see the club. What little baby help you get your lingo up? What 21 get your first street?
The proper move. It's not that it's like I don't know. All right, I think we're gonna take this trade. It's a little risky though with all this fucking bearish momentum. But if we don't risk it, never gonna fucking catch anything.
He a fan, he a fan, he a fan. He a fan, he a fan, he a freaky ass nigga, he a 69 god. Freaky ass nigga, he a 69 god. Hey, 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 run for your life. Hey, 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 run for your life. Freaky ass nigga, he a 69 god. Freaky ass nigga, he a 69 god. Hey, 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 run for your life. Hey, 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 run for your life. Say OV ho. Say OV ho. Then step this way, step that way, then step this way, step that way. Are you my friend? Are we locked in? Then step this way, step that way, then step this way, step that way.
So look, Only Biscuit says, I definitely didn't miss the buys. I got a 1-to-5 risk reward ratio to the downside. This was his 1-to-5 risk reward ratio to the downside. The problem with that is that you're speaking in hindsight. You're saying, like, you obviously didn't close all the way down here. You probably closed, you know, before you even hit take profit 1. So it's like, you can't look at the charts and be like, I would have been in this sell. Oh, I would have caught a 1-to-5 risk reward ratio. You can't think like that because you're not in the trade. Therefore, you don't know when you actually would have closed. If you can't hold a 1-to-1, what makes you think that you could hold a 2-to-1? What makes you think you could hold a 3-to-1? What makes you think you could hold a 4-to-1? What makes you think you can hold a 5-to-1? If you can't hold if you can't hold a trade for more than 30 minutes, what makes you think you will be able to catch a 1-to-3 risk reward ratio? That's the things you guys gotta start asking yourselves for those who are trading off the 1 minute, off the 5 minute and shit. If you guys really, I mean, you guys trade off those smaller time frames because you're like, oh, I hate waiting around. I want to be able to know if I won my trade. I want to be able to know if I lost my trade. Okay. If you're going with that logic, how are you supposed to be able to hit a 1-to-3 risk reward ratio if you can't even hold the trade for more than 5 minutes? No, he already told me that he's not in the trade. He's saying he would have hit the 1-to-5. I'm just saying that you would have hit the 1-to-5 is kind of way too crazy out there. What it do, Jay-Z? Look who we have back in the cut. Jay-Z, you got to help me out here. Is there too much bearish momentum here to take this buy on GJ? Is there too much bearish momentum? Should we wait a little bit? I'd be the wood of a richest man.
Between us, just like picket fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now, 'cause we're falling apart.
FX Peso, tell them that's gambling. Sorry, they are fake out times. That boy Jay-Z in here, that's awesome. No, I mean, like, there are look, I'm not gonna say that there aren't strategies to trading on the smaller time frames. Like, there are, man. I know, because I could aggressively go on the smaller time frames and I could probably, you know, catch something. Like, there's ways to do it. Now, do I think you have a higher probability chance of being profitable, of trading, of catching trades? It's a lot easier when you're working on the higher time frames. It's a lot easier. And man, that's why trading is the way it is. If trading was easy, trading would be easy if people were to listen and do what they're told. But the thing is, everybody, I'm speaking for myself as well, when we get taught only risk 1%, when we get taught don't take this type of setup, when we get taught all these different types of things, when they tell us you're only going to become profitable after 3 years of trading, we're all some alpha males here, right? So we all are the type of guys that we're looking at this and being like, you know what, risk 1%, suck my ass, boom. Oh, we're gonna take 3 years? Fuck that. We're taking 6 months to get profitable. Suck my ass. Or oh, we're not supposed to be trading against the trend? I've made money like this. Suck my ass. That's the thought process that 90% of the people that have whenever they're on the charts, right? Because we know exactly what we're told to do, which is correct. We know that we're supposed to be taking 1 to 2 trades a day. We know we're supposed to be only risking 1%. We know that if the charts are in a place where it looks half bullish and it looks half bearish, better not fucking take a trade. But we don't do all those things. Why? Because maybe it's a little bit of ego. Maybe it's we've never learned the hard way. I'm not sure, but man, the blueprints on what to do are very simple. The blueprints on how to trade are not hard. The blueprints on how to maintain profitable are not hard. What's hard is the battle between yourself and your mind on you want to do what you want, you want to be right, you want to do what you want, compared to let me actually listen to this guy. You know, maybe he is fucking little ugly. Maybe he does have a freaking raspy voice, but let me listen to this little fucker. You know? What are you saying, Badass? I have no clue what Badass is saying. And it's not, is that, look, so for example, and then like AJ, you say, AJ says, risk whatever you're willing to lose, for real. No, you're not supposed, I'm willing to lose my whole account. I'm willing to blow this whole $100,000 account right away, or the $5,000 profits. What you're willing to lose does not have nothing to do with what you're supposed to do. What you're willing, fuck what you will, fuck what you feel, fuck what you will, fuck what you want. All right, it's called discipline, right? Whenever you get fuck your motivation, you know, when people come to the charts and they're like, oh, I don't have motivation today, or I don't have any motivation to get up. It's not motivation that keeps us going, buddy. It's discipline. We come back to the charts every single day because we know that discipline is gonna make us go places, not us being motivated to come to the charts. So no, it's not risk whatever you want to risk. It's not fuck it, just take your chance. If you don't take, no, this is a disciplined thing. There's structure, there's a way you're supposed to approach the market to be able to, you know, do things.
I'm in it for the glory, not the honor mention. Not trying to be 4 for inches, I'm trying to go the distance. Yeah.
It's the truth, AJ. I know the truth hurts. The truth hurts, but that's the truth. A lot of people don't give you the truth hurts. A lot of people just tell you to fucking, I don't know, pull a Don vote.
I need to start saying shit when I notice it. Be open with people I need some closure with. Be honest with myself and take ownership.
I always traded a 2-5 time frame. I've always started to change that since Tune Into Yourself last week and took the charts differently. To example, I read the candlestick on a 30-minute. Doesn't mean, wait. Example, red candle on the 30-minute. I think I understood what you were trying to say. You're trying to say that just because there's like a certain colored candlestick doesn't mean that it's actually where the direction's going. Let's take the GU sell. Gold sells. I don't like gold sells. They're not horrible, but I don't like them. I do think that there's going to be a wick left, but I think that wick needs to get filled at one point.
Problematic. People like you more when you working towards something, not when you have it. Way less support from my peers in recent years as I get established. Unforgiving times, but fuck it, I manage. Why is my struggle different than others? Only child that's taking care of his mother as health worsens and bills double.
Look, Don Vo's accuracy was 95%. That's funny. That's funny. All right, respecting 4-hour SMA, and here we are. I don't know, Xander. Back when I would write and not think about how they receive it, I be trying to manifest the things I needed.
And look now, I mean, it's hard to believe it even for me, but you're mindful of it all when you're mindful of it all. How they go from not wanting me at all.
All right, we're taking the trade.
Things get dark, but my aura just starts glowing. I'm overcome with emotions. Ones I can't access when I'm stone sober. Jealous.
All right, it's a 3.3 lot stop loss at 186,972. It's pretty damn big stop loss, but I'll throw up the trade right now. Damn, we gotta throw it up. We gotta send the signal to.
Ego stroking, picture posting, claiming that you do it for motivational purposes only, but you just had to show me. See,
It's a 50 pip stop.
I know when someone lying. I notice people standing for nothing and getting tired. I know what we're both thinking, even when you're quiet. Sometimes I gotta just make sure that I didn't lose you.
I don't even like this trade. Now that I'm looking at it like this, I swear to God, I might instantly close it. Don't hop in. I mean, hop in. Actually, I don't fucking know. Bro, I remember when I just started trading, I was like 20 plus indicator. Those days were the best. Pulling up the RSI when we first started trading was the best, boys. Them RSIs. Hop in or not? AJ's hilarious, dude. If you're reading this, it's too late. The fuck? I'm already down fucking $200. No, I don't like it, dude. Don't hop in, Xander, if you're not in. Damn, dude. Why the charts gotta be like that today? Gold still gonna keep on rallying, of course. GU. Damn, maybe Slick Blocker was correct with that GU sell. Which kind of means that GJ should go up. No?
Things I can't change are the reason you love me. Listen, you can hear them calling my name. I'm all over the place. I can't sit in one place.
Elon Musk is going to be the head of audit of the whole federal government, bro. The 4-hour candlestick just, I think, has a little bit too much momentum in it for us to want to fucking really be aggressive on this buy, boys. That's what I'm thinking right now, right? So this 4-hour candlestick has so much left to it, right? 4-hour candlestick. Wait, did that say? Oh, lack of focus, boys. This is important. I don't know if this is good or not. 4-hour candlestick closes in 11 minutes. 10 minutes, boys. 10 minutes and our 4-hour candlestick closes. What's happening? Only pips, you're not wrong. It's heaps of fuckery, bro. GG's a different asset on its own. I know it's not paying attention to any other freaking correlations or anything. It's just moving on its own, has a mind of its own. All right, tell you the truth, I'm in this trade right now. I have a 50 pip stop loss because I am really not sure on where this thing wants to bounce. I didn't think it wanted to butter knife melt through all of price action, so I'm throwing a stop loss at an area where I don't think that we're gonna hit. Now, as I see this candlestick with this much momentum, the only thing that keeps me in this trade right now is the fact that we're going to get an hourly candlestick closure, a 4-hour candlestick closure, and all that should bring a lot of momentum and volume. Momentum and volume should change the, or hopefully it changes. That's what I'm hoping for. It's more of a hope thing, hoping it changes the direction of this price. You kept saying 4-hour, my bad, Chris. I should have waited to hop into the trade till after the 4 hour, but
Are you down for the cause? Are you down? Are you down? Are you down? Are you down for the cause?
this song is for Chris. I dedicate this song to Chris. This I don't know why. I don't even know how Chris looks, but I could imagine Chris like bumping to this in the morning, like. Boys, if the next hourly candlestick opens right where we are right now, it's most likely going to the downside. Sell gold. Fuck no. AJ's like, never mind. This song reminds me of Chris. I don't even hear the song. This might as well play Sexy Red. Nah, bro, this ain't no Kamala Harris fucking. This ain't no Kamala Harris speech. Y'all saw this, boys? Look at this. Tim Walls family. Y'all saw this, bro? This ain't Photoshop. This real. This real life. Y'all saw this? This is Kamala Harris's vice president, Tim Walz, the guy who lied about going to war, right? Then he said, I'm sorry, I didn't mean it like that, whatever. This is his family. These are literally his brothers, mom, aunties, cousins, uncles. That's crazy. What's going on behind the scenes that we don't see? I'd love to fucking know. Because if my family member was running for fucking vice president of the goddamn United States of the world, one of the most important people in the world, without debate, we'd be supporting him, right? If he's a good guy, we're supporting him. Why the fuck is this guy's whole family not wanting him in office? Like, what did he do to the whole family that they don't want him in office? That they literally aren't even supporting him? That they literally are going, like, not even that they're wearing black shirts or no shirts. They're literally wearing the opposite opponent's shirts. That's crazy. That's weird. This guy is, this guy wants to put tampons in guys' bathrooms, and he already made it fucking legal in like places like California for you to be able to place hormone blockers, which are basically just horse tranquilizers inside of young adults under the age of 14, be able to stop their hormones. This guy's weird. This guy's fucking very weird. Alright, boys, we're in a GJ trade. I am not too happy with this GJ trade. This is more of a, I've identified a trend throughout the whole session, and then we had a strong retracement at like a London crossover open with New York, and I don't know if this retracement's actually going to butternut through all of us, through all of this. I think that there's a chance that we just bounce and continue going bullish. Not a big fan of this trade though. I usually don't take trades that I'm not fans of, but we've been on stream for about 2 hours and 20 minutes. We missed out on our gold longs because we were too pussy. I don't think that we called out any other trades besides that. To be honest, I think let him do it and let natural selection do the rest. Bruh, the thing is our youth are being taught things that then shapes their future. So if you're taught as a young child, you're supposed to be able to, you know, test out what it is to fucking have it up to A, and then you're supposed to be able to, like, you know, like, it's just weird things that I don't know. Maybe strong, weird topic. Daily looking like it wants to go down though. That's exactly, it's the daily fake out. Now, what I could tell you is that here in America, it's like, imagine 10 years ago, out of 100 people that are born, 2 would come out gay. 5 years later, out of 100 people that are born, 5 come out gay. 5 years later, out of 100 people that come out gay, it's like 10 might come out gay, right? Nothing's wrong with gays at all. I'm not saying that. My thing is, this number down here, it's increasing exponentially here in the United States, boys. I'm talking United States. This number is a very big number right now, and it's not supposed to exponentially increase. It's supposed to be like, all right, out of 100 people, 2. Okay, out of 100 people, another 2. Out of 100 people, okay, 3 or 4. But it increasingly exponentially growing like this. It's spreading like if it was, obviously it's not a disease. It's like, but I'm using it as a reference, right? And it's because clearly things are being taught to our youth, or there's something that's going on with the young people when they're growing up that like, I mean, I don't know. Again, let me repeat myself. There is nothing wrong with being bisexual at all. I'm not saying that there's something wrong with it. I'm saying that number is increasingly growing, and I'm trying to pinpoint what it's coming from, right? It's just an interesting thing that I've noticed. Honestly, GU looks like it's ready to go up. And GJ is taking too long to bounce. All right, boys, 3 minutes till we have our 4-hour candlestick closure. Come on. Gold short. I don't like gold shorts at all. Yo, freaking Kendrick Lamar gets the halftime. Gets the halftime show at the Super Bowl. Isn't that crazy? Drake's screwed. They're gonna call so many shots at Drake. Hold on. New candlestick coming, dude. If this new candlestick opens up where it is right now, it's going straight downwards. I'm about to close. Like, we need to bounce now before the new candlestick opens, because if the new candlestick opens, we're gonna see a no top wick, straight nut, and that means that. Now, the bright side about this is that, boys, we're up 5%, right? So we are, if we do lose this trade, it's not gonna be a big problem at all. But point is, let's fucking hit a banger. Make it simple for everybody. This is the update of last week. Last week we had a pretty flawless week. This Thursday says loss, but our trade actually hit that day. I just had to close at a break even, but this trade actually hit. We had a flawless last week. Every trade we called out last week hit. Literally. I know the daily is baiting that it wants to flip bearish, but this daily is actually what's keeping me in this trade. This daily is giving me vibes that it's like trying to fake out sellers thinking it wants to, then it's just going to end up wick filling all the way back up to this top. Let's see though, because up to the moment it doesn't look like it's happening. What to do, paras? Come on, don't do this to me. The gold sell, I mean, so besides the gold buy being a really good trade today, a GU sell so far that has been a good setup also. The GU sell that was a little bit ago. What's up, bro? Didn't wear pink shirt? Yo, what do you got to say about FX Alex G's pink Bugatti? You don't like the pink Bugatti? Paras, they never taught you that it's manly to wear pink in India. Here in America, now that I'm thinking about it, they teach us to wear pink. They tell you, hey, wearing pink is manly. That's what they taught us here in America.
Y'all were from high school to college. We went from babies to felons, nigga. I didn't really survive everything these streets offer. I've been through the mud, almost gave up. I done survived everything these streets offer. I've been caged up, I done dodged them slow.
Don't do it.
I got a 9 hour. I got a 9 hour. I got a 9 hour flight.
Do not do it. It's gonna do it. No top wick, straight to the downside. Isn't that exactly what I just fucking said 2 minutes ago, that we're gonna open up no top wick, straight to the downside? That's exactly the confirmation I needed that I didn't want to be in this trade. If this gets lucky and flips right now, then we're looking amazing. If it keeps on going down, I need to figure out a way to be able to get out of it. Come on, flip, flip, flip. Leave the bottom wick. Leave the bottom wick. I'll be amazing. Come on, do it for the stream. Just do it for the... Oh, nope. Messi, Messi, Messi. Dude, the dudes are rich as balls. I actually saw that dude in his car last week. Was it last week that I was in Miami? I was last week in Miami and there was an i8. Not an i8. It was like one of those M8s. And you look through the window and I'm like, God damn, that's Messi. Isn't that crazy? Bro, AJ, if you notice for that parlay I sent you, the last leg hit because Ronaldo scored minute 90, brother. Stop playing with Ronaldo. That's crazy. All right, chat. I mean, I'm hoping for this bottom wick to get formed off the new hourly candlestick. You guys need to be paying attention. There's a new 4-hour candlestick as well. Very important, new 4-hour candlestick. Gold has a little bit of a retracement. A lot of people in the chat were excited over the gold sell that could have played out. I don't consider this a sell move. I think that this is a retracement. This is a buy move. This is a retracement. So therefore, the smarter traders are waiting for the retracement to happen. Continue with the buys. I think that gold needs to continue with its bullish rally. Regardless of this 50 SMA, we can see this 8 SMA right now getting closer. These are soon going to flip. Sooner or later, going to flip, and then we're going to see price action start riding above this 8 SMA. That's how gold's going to look. That is how gold's going to look for certain. Okay. Now, when it comes down to GU is looking like it needs to be bearish. Something's telling me that it's going to hold. I don't know why. I don't know why. Maybe it's because I'm hoping that GJ goes bullish, and so I'm thinking pound's going to push. But definitely very scary trade to take buys on GU. I would most likely, if I was in GU sells, I would hold. If I was not in any GU trade, I probably wouldn't touch it up to the moment. When it comes down to gold, I would potentially take a buy, knowing that I have a very strong chance of getting clapped. But this buy probably has the same amount of chance of happening as this buy, like of hitting. They both have the same amount of chance of hitting. So percentage-wise, I think we're on the same side when it comes down to what are our chances of hitting this trade. The reason I have a high chance of hitting this trade is only due to the fact that my stop loss is huge, right? Way too big for my liking, but it's big, which means if I go into drawdown, there's a chance that I could either fix what's happening through a scale in, or it could go back to break even, identify the trend correctly, and then fix whatever needs to be fixed. I need to make that top wick, because no top wick means that this is a momentum candlestick. What does a momentum candlestick mean? It means that this needs to keep on going to the downside with momentum. So I'm actually very, 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 like, golly, like, if we don't get a top wick within 2 minutes, 3 minutes, we're fucked, and this is going down with a lot of momentum. And then we're gonna have to close out early without even trying to get the retracement. Dude, flip on me, bro. Flip on me.
Kill some. Run up on me and that's still drumming. All my life I've been hungry, that meal coming. Me and my niggas must getting no credit. We tryna see commas on Reddit. I tell my niggas we all gonna be fine, I promise. said it. I'm in the foreign switch lanes. I took off the brain for all them nights we went through pain. Drippy, I'm making it rain. Little TJ my name. You see what it say on the chain. I've been doing my own thing. When it comes to that money, I flip it like cocaine. G up and get protein. I just hit it and double, no cupping and no game. I be shitting with no shame. And I been with that nigga for rapping with no chain. Where I come from, they toe thing. Little niggas out fucking, they shooting with no aim. We ain't never put no pain. How the fuck you gonna tell your homie that's so lame?
You think that this is gonna be one of those GG stops us out then flips? Bro, there's no top wick. I'm about to hop out of this fucking trade, which I don't do a lot of the time. Last time I did do the hop out of the trade, it completely fucking went into my way. So I kind of hate hopping out of trades because it usually goes into my fucking way. But high key, this could be the one that doesn't, and I could really be saving myself a % here. Damn, chats. Yeah, no top wick.
Welcome to the city of God. Pop was the king of New York. Now I'm the nigga in charge. Only the drillers, the city is ours. Found out the ops when you pick them up.
Bro, look at that GU bouncing back up. Come on, GU's going up. GJ, do it to us. Do it to us. Do it to us. So, and then also what's telling me to fucking stay in this trade right now is the fact that if I hop out of this trade, I'm definitely not hopping into a GJ sell. I'm definitely not hopping into anything on gold. And I'm definitely not hopping into GU either. Why would I hop out of a GU, of a GJ buy and then go to the GU sell? Like, I don't just want to make any sense. I get clapped on this trade and then it's just sayonara, dude. 500 bucks? How the fuck am I down 500 bucks on this trade? Bro, I think I oh my god, dude, what is the stop loss that I drew? You guys didn't even tell me that the stop loss is completely not even the stop loss. 186,972. 186. That's why Paras was like dongo stop loss ass. Bro, yeah, that changes everything. My ass is getting clapped. Wanna know what's even worse about the way that I'm getting clapped? I'm getting clapped with like fucking no volume. It's not like even like the charts are just wicking and just being aggressive and just making it hard to trade. The chart's moving as slow as a goddamn rowing boat, and it's not rocking one bit. It's just fucking flowing. Like, this has been, I don't know if easy is the word. You sent the GJ spell. I should be at break even soon. Oh, bet. All right, that means I'm good. It's looking, I mean, the risk to reward obviously looks better. This was originally what I wanted on the screen the whole time. I had no idea that I accidentally, instead of going at 186,900, I was at 185,900. If I hit this trade, just know, boys, I'm gonna be yelling at the mic. So make sure you guys turn the volume down. Let me go use the restroom.
My vision is crystal clear. Hey, Bobby, excuse me, but this is a feature of the year. I feel like Sinatra in these streets. Me and Drizzy, we at peace. Just a backpack with the polo and a first Jesus piece. I'm from the shop, but I'm always New York in the city. They treat me like Jesus is walking. I've been through the pain and all of the torment. I say in his name, I make it important. Now it's time to give him hell. Ask my staff, I pay him well. This afternoon, 100 goons pulling up to SNL. When I pull up, it's dead on arrival. They act like they love you, they don't even like you. They throw a party, won't even invite you. I see the same thing happen to Michael. You black and rich, they saying you psycho. It's like a cycle. If you text me anything hype, you better text back and say it's a typo. The city of gods, no city is like you. It's the new New York, yeah, it's the GOAT. Bobby is viral, and this is the Bible.
Life is an interesting journey. You never know where it'll take you. Peaks and valleys, twists and turns. You can get the surprise of your life. Sometimes on the way to where you're going, you might think, this is the worst time of my life. But you know what? At the end of the road, through all the adversity, if you can get where you wanted to be, you remember whatever don't kill you make you stronger. And all of the adversity was worth it. On your way to the top, you'll do anything. But how do you get your life back when you get there? Yeah, it's my dilemma.
What you need to do is be thankful for the life you got, you know what I'm saying? Stop looking at what you ain't got, start being thankful for what you do got. Let's get it to him, baby girl. Hey, that's right.
You steady chasing that big bar, just live your life. Ain't got no time for no haters, just live your life. No telling where it'll take ya, just live your life. Cause I'm a paper chaser, just living my life.
Never mind what haters say, ignore them till they fade away. Amazing they are great, but after all the game I gave away. Safe to say I paved the way for you cats to get paid today. Still be wasting days away now had I never saved the day. Consider them my protege, how much I think they should pay. Instead of being gracious, they violate in a major way. I never been a hater, still I love them in a crazy way. Some say they sold the yay and know they couldn't get work on Labor Day. It ain't that black and white, it has an area that's shaded gray. I'm west side anyway, even if I left today and stayed away. Some move away to make a way, not move away cause they afraid. I brought back to the hood, and all you ever did was take away. I pray for patience, but they make me wanna melt their face away. Like I once made them spray, now I can make them put the K's away. Been thugging all my life, can't say I don't deserve to take a break. You'd rather see me catch a case and watch my future fade away. That's right. Immaculately polished with the spirit of a hustler and the swagger of a college kid. Allergic to the counterfeit, impartial to the politics, articulate but still a grabber by the collar quick. Whoever having problems with their record sales, just holler tip. If that don't work and all else fails, then turn around and follow tip. I got love for the game, but hey, I'm not in love with all of it. Could do without the fame, and rappers nowadays are comedy. The hooting and the hollering, back and forth with the arguing. Where you from, who you know, what you making, what kind of car you in. Seems as though you lost sight of what's important when depositing them checks into your bank account and you up out of poverty. Your values is in disarray, prioritizing horribly. Unhappy with the riches cause you're piss poor morally. Ignoring all prior advice and forewarning, and we might have
Lee, dude. I thought I would fucking come back and I'd have somewhat hope. I mean, we're still alive, but I think that if we go beneath this, like right here, I think I'm fucked. And we're about to go beneath it. Damn it, dude, what a shitty way to fucking start the week. The old trick of just leaving and Retrace, please. Something, dude. I'm getting collapsed.
I got myself here. I get myself out.
No top wick. I mean, I knew there'd be no top wick, brother. I literally said it before it happened. Gold was the buy all day. Yep, gold kept on buying. Yeah, I had a bad day. Oh.
Hey, let me kick it to you right quick, partner. Not as a gangster, as a grown man. What matters more
No, I mean, I went to go use the restroom, but
is what you able to learn from.
it's nice whenever you close your eyes and it comes back.
It's for you, Pimpin'.
No.
Wish you would've stayed home, running to a group of suckers who get their hate on. You walk by, they get wrong. You reply, then things get blown. Way out of proportion, way past discussion. Just you against them, pick one in rush.
It's gone forever, says Anton. Damn, dude. I'm not sure yet.
Just think it all starts, you fussing with 3 guys. Nigga, pride in the way, but your pride is the way you can mess around, get shot, die in a day. People die every day, all over nonsense. Dirty money, dice, game, stash, box, contents. Could this be because of hip-hop music? Did the ones with the good sense not use it? Usually, people don't know what to do when it back against the wall, so they just start shooting for red or for blue.
Your losses are win. And why is that, sir?
Time to think before I make mistakes just for my family's sake.
Dude, is that this candlestick has so much momentum in it. I actually have so little faith in it. Come on, I need a little miracle here. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. A little bit of movement. Don't hurt. A little bit of movement. Keep on going. Regardless, I think up to the moment, I'm holding my stop loss no matter what, because there is still a lot of space for it to retrace. And then if I do lose this trade, I mean, at the end of the day, I don't, there's like, losing is a part of the game, right? I went my whole week last week without losing, won multiple percents per day. I was down. I won 3% this day, 2.5% this day, 1%, 1%. This one, it would have been a 1%, coulda, shoulda, woulda, whatever. My point is, we're not that we're due for a loss. I don't believe in that, but I do believe in the fact that losing is a part of the game, right? You can't go undefeated. So, like, I mean, this was just the chance that if it doesn't hit, this was just the one that didn't hit, you know, and then yeah, we move forward. But I'm not gonna close myself out early of the trade, because then that's automatically me putting myself to lose when I still have a chance to win. It makes no sense to do that. So, yeah, to the moment we're stuck in this bitch. Yeah, it was a great week last week. That's all gone now. Now this is this week. To the moment, we haven't had the best start yet, but the day is not over yet. So stick around.
Free falling, falling. Now I'm free. Free falling, falling. Free falling now. Free falling now. Free falling now. Free
sky. I wanna free fall out into nothing. Oh, I'm gonna leave this world for a while. Now I'm free, free falling, falling. Now I'm free, free falling, falling. Free falling, falling. Free falling, falling.
See it.
Free falling, falling.
See it. I'm on stream right now getting clapped in a trade.
You're getting whacked?
Whacked. That's the profits right there. Wait, how? You're gonna go play golf? Me too. My wife didn't work today. Oh, that's the beach house? This shit's beachy as hell. That's a big backyard. Does it smell like the ocean? So lucky. No. All right, I'm gonna take my dog to the dog park after this stream. I'm on stream right now. I was just calling to say good morning. I needed a blessing. I needed some help right now so I don't lose my money. So hopefully you were the good luck charm. All right. All right, bro. Bro just caught on to you, Chris. Wait, I'm refreshing to know. Wait, if refreshing. Wait. Boy, this thing's about to come down. Chat's gone quiet. I don't think it's because they're scared. I think it's because we're losing. Yeah, we're fucked. What? Alright, so like you guys do know, I don't say this just to say this. It's one of my favorite setups whenever we're underneath the 8 SMA. We catch the buy underneath the 8 SMA and then it recovers it. It's one of my favorite. I loved it. Now we just need it to happen. Like we. Go have a blaze, boys. Put your minds at chill. Oh, I'll be at chill once I hit this trade. She's a good girl. From the mouth of Jesus. Alright, what is gold doing now? Gold has gone through a little bit of its retracement. Now is when we could possibly see a big gold retracement, or this is just where it's going to get ready to really just crank up a notch. How? How, chats? I mean, I told you guys I didn't feel like GU was wasn't gonna keep on. First, I made it very clear that gold was gonna keep on rallying. That happened. Second, I made it very clear I did not think GU would keep on going bearish. I'm like, and that's exactly why I'm in GJ buys. Why the fuck is GJ not buying right now? Like, how do we have GU going up and GJ isn't?
David Ryan Harris, LA's very own David Ryan
Somebody,
Harris.
I need the answers to these questions.
For you, gonna send you off.
Walking through the valley, they go way west. Somebody get clapped officially. Bro, the fuck? Yeah, I know G doesn't care, dude. Is this even my stop loss? 9. What's my stop loss? Basically 9.8. Let's say that. There's actually 0 chance I don't get clapped at this point. Not 0, but.
It's really over. You made your stand. You got me crying. As well as you planned. But when my loneliness is through, I'm gonna find another you. You take your sweaters, you take your time. You know you got your reasons, but you will never have my right. I'm gonna sing my way away from blue. I'm gonna find another you. See you when I was 11.
Yeah, gold would have paid, dude. I didn't happen to gold. That's what would have paid. And still going. I'm gonna laugh if we already lost half of our viewers. Imagine we still hit this trade. Alright, I'm gonna start getting off. Because we lost half of our viewers and I'm demotivated and blah blah blah. And I know that this trade is still gonna hit, and then it's not gonna hit on live stream, and then I'm gonna be even more mad, and then just, yeah. Depression. Oh my god. What's oh my god. 9:30 power hour, baby. Stock exchange open. Sweet. Gold! Come on, why is gold still going? It's pissing me off. See you. Come on. Go, you pussy boy. Pop, 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 power hour. Come on.
Once for me, once for someone new. I'm gonna do some things you wouldn't let me do.
Omar, I am in. Omar, I am in. We've been in drawdown for about an hour. Which the chat didn't remind me to fucking send it to the Discord, and now you're gonna get mad at me big time, but the trade is still alive. Don't send the trade to your chat, please. Do not. I don't think it's a good trade. Omar said, Omar, I'm maybe not your guy, man. Maybe you should pay somebody that's watching the stream to always send it, because there's people that come every single day. Who wants to win $5 a day? You know, like, should I get out before, or you don't think it's a good trade? No, if you're in the trade, you hold it. What you do?
Give me some vibey lights. Let's jam
Post
out.
Malone.
Make it all dim and vibey and like space jamming.
No, it's okay. Humans forget sometimes. Oh, dude, Omar is the best, bro. Dude has so much patience with me. I'm kind of pissed I didn't scale into my trade. Boy, we still alive. Where are all the viewers that left? See you, boys. Close out quick. Because we staying here to make some money. See you.
Don't trust in myself. Don't trust in myself. I don't trust in myself. I don't trust myself.
No, I'll do it. I'll do it. All right, we're alive as hell. I'll do it for you. I just understood that.
No, I'm not the man I used to be lately. See, you met me at an interesting time. And if my past is any sign of your future,
She loves Jesus. America too. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
What does it really mean to follow God? Like as I stand here today, I'm reminded of the first time my children ever got an opportunity.
All empire walking through the valley, they go way west.
And what I did was I walked in front of them and I took steps and I said to them, instead of creating your own,
What you looking at, dude? My dog is dying to go to the park, bro. Remember when I told you guys once that never give for certain that something will happen in trading, because that is when the trading gods will come and just humble you, dude. I should have fucking probably hopped the fuck out of this trade. Jesus Christ. But I didn't. I don't know if it was for the better or for the worse, though. Wakashi was a star. Gold's gonna keep on flying.
Wrestling with God, I don't really want to rest, so man, it's really life-like. Everything in my life, arguing with my dad, and he said it ain't Christ-like.
Nah, I think we're good. I think we're good. I think this hourly has a lot left in it. I think that even if this 15-minute closes right now like this, the next candlestick open, Wick fills it to the top. Come on! You garbage fucking chart. Stop falling! That was weak. How the hell you gonna go all the way back to my break even like that just for... Like, I didn't even get to experience a break even. I was away. Oh my god. GG's. Alright, yeah, now we're fucked. Jesus Christ. That was whack as hell, dude. I thought we had a chance. That was like a... That's what I call a tease. Oh my god, that was ridiculously, like, I don't even feel like closing out of my trade now. I'd rather just take all my money. Just take everything you want. I don't really give a fuck. I'm not getting out. I'm letting it stop me out. Boys, that is the end of the stream. I have to help my wife with her homework. Take my dog out. That was fucking stupid. Ah, man. Just take all my money. Take it. Take it. Take the $1,300. Just take it all. Please. Stop me out. There you go. Thank you. I didn't even have a chance to see the break even. I walked away from the charts. All right, chat. GG, boys. So tomorrow we are in Lucht. I will be on for 2 a.m. boys. Pre-London session. Pre-London. Pre-London. We will be here for pre-London session. And yeah, we'll write it out through all the way London session, boys. So, hey, I will schedule the stream right now. I'll make sure to see you boys there. Look, schedule stream for tomorrow. London session. I'm gonna schedule it for 1:45. At 1:45 a.m. tomorrow, 15 minutes before news, boys. We'll see you guys tomorrow, 15 minutes before news. I apologize if you guys got into that trade. Damn it, dude. I should have just known from the beginning it was a no trade day. I just didn't want it to be a no trade day. That hurt me. I'm hurt. Especially because this trade's probably going to hit now. I bet you this trade's going to fucking hit. I feel like taking another buy and just swinging it, but I'm not going to do that. I feel like this thing's going to fly, dude. Whatever. Much love, boys. I adore you guys. Thank you, Xander, Lumilo, Only, KB, Anton, Guap Slovan, Chris, Omar, Badas, Prod, Tony. I think I already said Anton. Hey, shout out to you guys, boys. Much love. Peace. Peace out, brothers. Peace out, peace out, peace out. I love you guys. Have a great one, boys. I'm a loser today. GG's. Well played. Still fucking stopped out by a hair. Goddamn, can't get over it. Peace out. GG's.